Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
Everybody, let's get the tambourine and praise the Almighty Father. All God-fearing people, let's go. Get right.
Pick up An Blenda, Dancehall.
Hey, 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 yeah. Hey, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there, up there. Shake your tambourine and praise the Lord. But the lead for with them bad mind, you can't stop playing.
One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two, one, two.
Tambourine and praise the Lord.
Listen,
Wagwan, 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 peeps, wagwan. On this, the last day of 2025. This is the last day of the year 2025, so designated. And we will not be able to see another at 12 midnight. For some people, it started already. Like over Asia, whatever, the New Year start for them already, you know. But for us here on the East Coast, and the people on the West Coast, they have to wait a little bit longer too. But when the people on the East Coast come 12 o'clock tonight, and that's it for 2025. That's it for us. No more. You can't get back a day. You can't get back a day out of 2025 for do so and so and so, unless you have figured out how to travel through time. And I strongly doubt that many of you know about that something there. All right? But I last day this, you know. I the last day this in a 2025 and thing, and we're there. And we could give thanks now. Evoking verbal expressions large up. Millionaire green. You know, say Millionaire green and I wish I call Ramadan. Ramadan. And when you know about me, a Millionaire green, a bad girl, you know. Me stay outside her yard and I peep in and I watch her on her live what they attack. Be something about man and all them, something there with the man them a move wrong or whatever. I know she makes certain adjustment in her life and whatever. You think she easy? You think she easy? She same one a Millionaire Greenland. Her life them nice, you see? Yeah. Attitude, big up yourself, you know. Shani Boo large up and thing. Tina 43, me see you and thing. Sonia, Wagwan, Sonia. People know say Sonia good again. We'll find it, you know. Yeah, we'll find it. Millionaire Green and I'm so sweet and innocent. Whatever. Sonia. People, you know, she say, we go all the way to Grenada and we find Sonia thing and whatever thing and bless her up back again and thing. Yeah, man. Sonia good again, man. Sonia going back in the seal up door crew, you know? Yeah. Sonia going back in the seal up door. Genuine desire, I see you. Big up yourself, boo boo. I see you. Tina said the church look good. The church was Sonia there. But you know, yo, when the people who are gift and whatever, when the careful on and put things in a gangster mouth, you know. Yeah. When the careful on and put things in a gangster mouth, you know, what I do? And what kind of thing that you not put in a bad man mouth, eh? Man, them look sweet, they wanna put in a bad man mouth, you know. Because I'm going to say something now, and it is not an admission of guilt or anything. I'm a comedian, I'm a performer, so I say things. Come on, say something. Hey, Millionaire Greenland, hey, don't play with me, you know. Don't play with me, you know. Okay, don't play with me, you know. Okay, because I know say you're one of them woman there, you know. What you know? I know say you're one of I want verbal expressions do it too. Me know you one of them woman there, you know, you just hold a boy and sit down all in his face and then something there, you know, and just give him some. I say, well, you going like you know want to eat. Hold this man, bottom, radam, and drop it on a boy, you know. Me know you know millionaire green and me read you like that already, you know. You one of them woman there, you know, you the man a juggling, you know, you a screech, you know. Maneuver him and bring him go around and you know, him end up in a certain position where him never intend to end up in. You're wicked, you know, I know me read you. You're wicked. So yeah, man. You're verbal expression, but watch your mouth and take that, man. You see. Hey, yeah, them type of body man out there for true, man. But anyway, when me did I say again, it's on the true me off and thing, you know, by now. Yes, Sonia. Hey, look, boy, you're going like you're gin and then lock the door, man. Lock the door. Zion there with me still, you know. Yeah, man, in general, I spend him New Year with him father. Yeah, I say we give thanks, you know. Yeah. So, people, you know, so Sonia gone back down in the lock door crew. Yeah. We go grenade and we find the thing, man. You see the video and thing. We go at the back of the church and thing. Yeah, even Sonia say, boy, when I back at the church look different year and on. Then she posts something like, yo, the what? Oh, you pronounce that? Bougainvillea flowers, them are sitting and whatever. She said, what them they did because rate. You know, okay. People, Sonia know about back at that church for true, you know. Don't get it twisted, you know. Yeah? Sonia know about around and back at that church, man. You see it? When we go around there, you know, you see me and cross a pre-dance and we say, I want rotted view back there, you know. People, it's like you look down in one valley, you know. But there's this huge inlet from the sea. So you have all these boats and yachts down there and whatever, and then down, you know, with the inlet on the sea, and you have one road will come around and thing. And then you have the hill go right, come around, you know. So you know, so one time the British and them people they did them just know say this is the prime real estate, this you know, that's where you get the vista, the view, right? You know, so your money have to up for have house on them side, right? This you know, because I tell us the view slap way. So you see if you stand up at the fence, you see the whole of the view, you know. Yes, man. And you're at the back of the church and the church back of you're at the back of the church, you know, but the church back of you and you walk over to the fence to look down over the view, you know. You see everything. So me and Cross match it out. And we say, you know, say I son a whole lamp on the fence, you know, because the fence you can't hold it. So, you know, when you look over, you know. And I would say, at this, so, you know, at this how the thing start, you know. What Sonia said, it's carnage. It's called carnage? Why would they call it carnage? Carnage is like destruction. It's like, no, it's just like beautiful. But anyway, I write this other fence that when was a Sonia deal with get the fixings, you know. And when one fixing she get round it to it look like it was our spot, you know. So why should I get the fixings, you know, should I get carnage? Okay. Why should I get the fixing, you know? She depend on holy ground, you know. I get look of blessings to and all these things and whatever. But we'll find this spot and thing and you don't know where did I leave and I go with and all these things and whatever and Cross must see one piece of board and thing and whatever. And we go, so boom, I move the board for dash right board, you know. You see what I say? Hold on. Wait, somebody open at the box? Hello?
Wagwan.
How long you there?
About 5 minutes ago.
About 5 minutes ago, I'm there chat and do me. Well,
When was someone come on live and it was not talk of wait.
oh, okay, hold on. I'm gonna turn you up. Okay, so what I go?
Why am I give God thanks now? You honestly me come very live. Me don't know if me can say it just about.
No, I mean, if you doubt it, you probably can't do it, you know. Per worse, like a New Year's Eve and thing or something, I things I not do for my life, you know.
Me get two strokes, Raga.
No, you what now, me can't start my show with that, honestly. Don't feel no way. Don't feel no way. I mean, know it's from what day you been a try come on with it, you know. Yeah, me see in I chat, you been a try come. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you how me start with them something there. The reason why me don't do it, once me open that door there, problem. Like it's just problem after that, you know, just non-stop, you know, non-stop. No. I'm doing this for a while here, and I them thing they reach me here. And me know why I feel that way, but and then tonight too is not, even if me don't do it tonight, is not tonight, yeah? Yeah, New Year's Eve. And then you're the first, you see when you do them something, yeah, you see the first person, them set the tone for the rest of the show, yeah? All right? Yeah. Even just so you know, me do my help who me help privately, you know, and when it went named there, me just if something come up, which I have, anybody I listen to, you know, so them thing that come from me deal with it all the while and we help people and thing, but you don't want to do that. Not on my issue, right? And just so you know, them people them not really, them not go on Ivan show and the Candy show and them people show and them not do it. Not do that some of them. But them will come on, you know, come on my show and do them some of them. And another tricky part of it is you have some people that are the muscle. Yeah, them dip on social media. I not nobody, you know, I block no traffic, you know, I start nobody, I just make them know, so you have some people, you know, I feel them think that, you know. So, and Sonia and them can tell the boy, and I part, hey, me tell you, you know, most of the people that have a problem with me are people who me help, you know. Yeah, and the people that move me no help me and them good. But yeah, but you have people who may help me show and them something. I mean, I don't know. It's just after a while, it like you're supposed to continue or something like that. And if you not continue, them start resenting. Yeah, kind of. I can't but I've been sitting there, right? And I think, you know, some certain negativity and thing, me now whatever. I mean, I open up myself. So back to Sonia, you know. Back to Sonia now, so people will find the spot, man, because you don't know where we are going to grenade and we are going to check out the spot and see if we can find back Sonia. Sonia sitting the scene and go around there, we figure it out which part Sonia would do her thing and whatever. And yeah, and when I leave and thing cross a ray, you know, love the foolishness though. And we're going to pick up the board and dash the board and cross, go see piece of paper and thing, and that's how we get the full 100 of the thing. Evoking, big up yourself, blessings and respect, man. Cool. And that's how we get the full 100 of the thing, you know. You see what I'm saying? Right? Yeah, when some of the lose our virginity around there and whatever and thing, and we find it back and thing, and we're going to send it up to her, because we carry it in our box, you know. We carry it in our box and Grenada, so I send it up to her up there at Toronto and make she good again, you know. Baby girl, Jay, big up yourself, you know. Right? Sonia said, what? Backers by the fence with that view. Jesus, me know, man. Me know, man. Me not like, if me carry somebody around there, we are going with the thing, me I go tell her if I do that. Man, say, yeah, only, because first of all, you see, me in a college music, hey, me a proper madman, you know. When me in a college, me didn't have a thing, you know. It's like, yo, my girl go hold the window. It's a only window, but you have to lock off the light, though, you know, behind you, you know. You know them people that want to know for peep. A peep back at them curtain and they have the light on behind them and you just see them good from your outside and whatever. Them don't know if you lock off the light behind them. But me, yeah, me didn't do that something there, you know. Lock off the light, man. And those open the window and say, baby girl, hold the window sill because the damn them are them big window then. And hold the window sill and send on and all them little thing there. You know, when you're young and you keep up your friggery and whatever, man. That was the jam. And yeah, I'm a thing for patios. When me go hotel the patio, we get Christmas, you know. Yeah, man, the patio forget Christmas, man. Outside. Up on the patio and thing and foot up and there. And all on and all of you look on the ocean and all them something there, whatever thing. You know? And you know if you're a Jamaican no man and you know say, you have to do that look back something there, you know? Cause man like that, you know. We Jamaican men will like that, you know, when back as a senan and the woman look back with her face well make up, you know, under pressure, you know. We love that something there, man. Yeah. So you see, when you're up on the patio and thing and the view dead and whatever, and after a while, you just stay so and you just sail out and yeah, what? So I know say them style of Sonia Bunks when she did the back of the church. Anyway, it was Sandy Solid, big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man, the fence something there and whatever and thing. But Sonia, big up yourself, you know. We love your country, you know. You're verbal electrician, she ain't next bad girl, you know, but look back and say, send it up there. Yeah, love them something there, you know. Why I mean, we had some people that start out and just boring up your things sometime and whatever. Do ever talk to them one another and keep up some little foolishness and whatever. I want my New Year I come, you know. Yeah, New Year I come, so one on a resolution must be one and I'm doing it, so, you know, spice it up a little bit, man. You know, talk up some sitting and this and that and rate and whatever, okay? But son, I will love Grenada, you know, Grenada nice. But I like Grenada nice, you know, Grenada is definitely quieter than Jamaica. And it's a small island, you know, so it's definitely quieter than Jamaica. And I remember I only did it for 2 days, so yeah, some people them go some country for 1 week and think they know the place. Yeah. But and that you know really go so. But still, you know. So they look at 2 days when I did it and thing and get a feel of the place, you know. And sitting, you know. Red Ras, big up yourself, you know, Happy New Year, you know. But yeah, tonight is a Happy New Year night for everybody, you know, so we just make you know already and think later on, about hour and a half or so, we're going to try link up with DJ Chris Cross and Jimmy Q and bring the three live them together and just juggle for the rest of the hour up in the 26th. You see what I say? All right? That we are going to try do and thing and ring in the 26th together. Evoking. Yes, I know you guys are already into your 2026 over there, evoking, right? Because England, they're 5 hours ahead, so they're almost 2.5 hours in right now, right? Evoking says she's just back from church, so she'll go watch night. You know, you watch a night into the next year, you know. For those of you who are Christians and you grew up with us, somebody like myself, yeah, you know. I can't tell when last I'm going to watch night service, you know. Anyway, people, we're there and juggle and thing and whatever. It's a kickback night, you know. Watch night crossover service. That's what evoking belongings say. Watch night crossover service. So people, it's a kickback night, you know, and thing. Me just want to big up all TamFamers out there. Bless upon yourself. Bless upon yourself, bless upon yourself. We give thanks, all right? Respect and honor to all, I know, and thing. I know it go down. Everything is everything. Yeah. Cheryl Bless Large up. Mama V, KRTZ, what's up? Wanna go on? Angie B. Angie them hack your account. People, you have, let me tell you have hackers, you know, them troll social media. And TikTok are one of them favorite place because TikTok emphasize live. So what them do, them just, some of them I watch right now, right? Them I watch right now, right? So when them do, them just go around and study the life them and see how the people them set and whatever and thing like them. So we have to be careful and thing, all right? And I talk about it what they and thing, but just make sure say anybody I send on any email and I tell them to do this and that, and don't do it, all right? Okay, cool. Yeah, man, don't do it, see? So, Angie, what them did occupy, I never know say them occupy Ph.D. Never know them occupy. I know them did not Lee page as Tina Lee or whatever and thing. But just know, you know, them are going to go after the one them were in the chat. Because we in the chat, you know, you're more likely to say, yeah, you know that person because you see them in the chat. So that's why them watch the chat. You understand? And try for hustle off thing, and then them, if them go so now boom and act like spiritually blessed thing now. By on a look and see somebody named spiritually blessed from the same account and send something to me. Say, do this and whatever, just drop the code, yeah, send a number yeah, to me, them send a number to you. And if you go send a number and thing, them either take over your account or go in your computer or lock you out of your computer and some crazy thing them are going without them man, see? So I just want to be on the alert for that and thing, cause you got, I tell her right now, you got it's a thing out there. So them are do it all over, so I am not going to be any exception. Not only we're not going to be any exception, them are going to look on it and say, yeah, the people who listen to Reggae, them are big people, you know. One, them are going to have money. Because them are not young, careless people out there. Two, them not going to know about, you know, the internet like that and whatever and things. So them are out there, you know, so be careful out there with them here. Just I tell you now. And in the meantime, Dr. Mark, where I go? In the meantime, you know, I say sometimes I want to show some things on the live, yeah, whatever, but I don't have it too balance, I don't have it too, yeah, man, sometimes I have some things I want to show, you know, but one of them, let me figure that out for the new year. When we start the live over Big Yard, you know, this so it about, what? Watch and see what I go on, man. Delroy, big up yourself, man. When we start the live over Big Yard, man, I tell you, things are different over there. You hear me, sir? All right? I want to know the drill. I'm not sick or nothing, but you tell them here, Cheryl Bless, tell them. But once I sit down there, so I do and thing and whatever, after a while, it just, yeah, I'm over Big Yard too. I just can do as I like and not worry about this and that with TikTok and whatever. Everything coming on nicely and thing and whatever. Me work, but and then to me want it a certain way. I have to take time. I just do it little and whatever. Because I want it a certain way, you know. I want the finished product to be a certain way. You understand what I'm saying? So I adapt my dip and right and over Big Yard and thing. I say a word, man, on yourself, man. You know, just go and join up over there and thing. And we're going to fix what we fix and go out with something. 2026 is going to be a year to remember for we know that year. Anyway, we're there, and I say, me just I couldn't know say it's a kickback night, you know. New Year's Eve and thing and whatever. Blessings. If you don't have any mix-up, you come with it same way. And Tasha, big up yourself and thing, and just know say, spiritually, we say, boy, oh boy, Sonia 2026 start good. Yeah, because Sonia good again, man. Right? Anybody are going to Sonia living room, I go kick down that the door there, you know? Yeah, because the door seal up, man. Right? The door seal up again. The door seal up again. Sonia living room door seal up again. You're going to Sonia living room right now. You have to kick it down, man. You understand? Because they can't want me easy again, you know? Lock and seal, Sonia, how you mean? Make them know, yes. Yeah, we'll find it. We'll find it. Yo, Sonia. Me use a Caribbean woman a certain way. Well, I probably wish part me there. Yeah, you know, when you're upon tourist site, them have to act professional and them stuff because. But even when I go up on the road, Sonia, Grenadian woman, them, would you say like a lot of them shy? Because me used to Caribbean woman being confident, you know, and full of chat, you know, and love run joke and then sitting there, you know, and bad up man and them thing there, you know. But Sonia say yes. Yeah, man, them come over. Yeah, me they, you know, interact with a bunch of them and thing like particular. And them very Christiany. It look like Christianity is a big thing down there. Because I'm very Christiany and I'm well behaved and have a pleasantness. But yeah, Sonia, yeah, them have a, you know, kind of look a shy. You know, you meet a couple of them are full of chat and rare, you know, typical Caribbean thing and whatever. But, you know, one of them, you know, you kind of know me playful and flirty and whatever and thing like that. And, you know, you juggle around some of them and I know them kind of look a shyness about them, you know. Yeah. Well, you know, don't get it twisted, though, you know. For them woman know you still look shy, yeah. Sonia said them no rank like she, you know. Yeah, cause Sonia rank and Ph.D, you know. Yeah. Bailey's a do it in 990. Bailey's a do it in 990. So up till when we kind of joined DJ Chris Cross going at the 2026 and thing. 101 change from 2025 for going at 2026. 101 change. 101 change both on yourself, both on a life. 101 change. Come up in the box and make with you. I make one. Well, assuming it's not super personal, okay? Right? 101 change. Come up in the box and make one. Come up in the box and make one. 101 change. 101 change. 101 change. 101 change. Bomba, Ugo, may I come to you? John, Ugo go kill me. Ugo, what? Many and you, what go down?
What gonna?
Yeah,
Why over here till life of me?
What you mean I tell lie, pan? Oh, me say what
People never gonna know I'm so sweet and innocent.
No, what day me stand up outside of your yard and I fast pan want go on in there and whatever and things like that and I beer things you go on with over there, you know. Me like your life them, you know. Me like your life them, you know. People you want to hear shall beat the man. At so wait then well I don't know. What you have against man make you beat them so?
No, them for put on back them body. Them for put on back them body.
Why? What?
We can't take it no more. We can't
What
take
you
the
can't take? What you can't take?
sassiness. We can't do the sassiness. If them want to be woman and we want to be woman, who are gonna be the man?
No, explain that. Explain that. What go on with the man them out there? Explain that.
Alright, so why everybody over there beat the man them? This man come over there say, woman bring him chocolates and what was it? Chocolate and something else. I forgot what roses. So at this point, they want to go down on her knee to and tell her say to come marry her.
No, wait, the way you say about chocolate and roses, but you think something wrong with that if a woman bring chocolate and roses, get her man?
Yeah, something wrong with that. Why you could bring him
move from your son, boy, but something wrong with that. Move from your son, boy.
Some fish and carrot juice and go ready to then I get no chocolate and
what you say, go give him some one. I can't bother with that woman there. What you say a while ago? What you say a while ago?
Yeah. A snapper fish and some carrot juice and go right so but me I give him chocolate and rose.
Make a reason with this one. What you seem to be saying that there is something inherently wrong with not only a woman doing it, but a man appreciating it. Like, you think there is something effeminate or something like not masculine about that?
Over the gender war, you know. The problem is they're too sassy, okay? At this point, if you want me to buy your roses and chocolate, I can take it to Victoria's Secret. I can just take it to Victoria's Secret.
No, but hold on. That is an example of being sassy because let me just say that. Me have a problem with
Raga, you know what diabetes do to man, right?
yeah.
All right, so why you need chocolate for them?
No, but what I'm saying, chocolate is just like a regular little gift where
Raga,
people
not
exchange.
justified. Make prefer get a snapper and a carrot juice. What may I get chocolate for them?
You think that there's something wrong if a woman buy chocolate and give a man and the man?
You know, me I ask you the question. When me I get chocolate for them?
Nah, me not. But you mean me not talk about what you do? Me not see nothing wrong with chocolate. If my lady feel like say me I buy some nice chocolate, taste them. Some them don't even have expensive. What do you want in here? Rocher, what you want in here? Carrot Rocher, I sit down there. Yeah. But that same woman that can steam fish for me too with some okra and all these things. But me not get it. What is sassy? What is sassy with
I
chocolate?
get
Me
what
not
you're
get it.
saying. Now I get
Yeah.
what you're saying.
Yeah.
So what I'm talking about is the fact that this is now an expectation of them. It's not like I'm saying the person in a long-term relationship and then you buy chocolate just to buy chocolate. See,
Oh.
we are talking about getting to know somebody and we are talking about dating in the mids and this man a come tell us the woman I buy him chocolate and rose. Sir, at this point I can pull up to your door, come open the door, open the car door for you, set it in there.
Well, we juice me that's a raga. She clean and nice. She look like she be here today. I just no, but juice me that go easy. Why she only be it on New Year's Eve for ringing the next year? You don't know. You don't know. No. I'm not gonna agree with it. Me not see nothing wrong if a woman buy chocolate, gear man or whatever. But you see, if a man and a woman just talk. And him go say something like, you don't even buy me look at chocolate. That not so. That not go so.
Them no want roses, them want lily. You sure you don't know what up more to the streets here? You hear? Them very sassy.
Man said them what? Well on. Man asks for roses and then some of them.
Them no want roses, them want lilies. You not hear me? Them want lilies, them want exotic flowers. Them don't just want roses.
No, well, me no know. Cause me one of them, man, that's so man from if a man and a woman and them have money and whatever, mine are take care of her. But me one of them man they do away like this thing I wanna have about the man for do all of this and the woman not for do it. Me not join that. If a woman spend money upon a man, spend money upon the man or whatever. But if not for work this out the thing, and then I go on like a diva and expect to get treated certain way. Yeah.
We're not right now of partnership, all right?
Yeah.
A lot of people misuse the word partnership because they're looking to be somebody big son or big daughter. We're not doing it with them. And if you're too sassy, stay away from me because I don't want you. There's no way I'll be more manly than you. It cannot work, sir. It can't work.
Well, so I agree with it. This, I say, I think I'm going out there in the world. I don't know what cause it, but and I suspect it's a confluence of factors. But one anything, you ever notice with this trans thing? 90% of trans people, a man a turn woman and a woman a turn man,
Yeah. Because and what it stems from, and I say this, and single mothers a lot of time them are gonna get up in them feelings and getting our choke all over this. But mothers need to understand that men need to be a part of the boy's life. Okay? Mothers cannot raise boys by themselves because children cannot identify what is a feminine trait versus a masculine trait. So if the little boy sit down and see mother put her makeup in the mirror all day long and have wear pretty clothes, him just knows him for look pretty. And that is just a normal part of life. He's not thinking about it from a gender or identity standpoint. When he goes to school and he shows his behavior, other children are going to say like, oh, what wrong with you, brother? You know, to say too, you understand, too sweet. And at this point, no, the conversation are going to come in, oh, who am I? And they're confused.
No, it's a good point you make. Yeah. No, it's a good point you make. It's a very good point. And it's simple. It's about socialization and culturation. It's about modeling. and you the only thing you can choose from outside of reading something or watching a movie is from your experiences. And whatever the norm is that you grew up in, it's like permanently embedded in you. And before you know it, you're actualizing it and don't even know, say, it just come out. And then somebody will say, this or that and that and that. And you're going to be like, what you talk about? But you don't even know, say you have it and thing. And me show you a thing. You know, my kids, them don't live with me, right? Them live with their mother, right? But me, you know, me grew up my boys, them for have an appropriate amount. Coming at 2 million on a father, me grew my boys them for have an appropriate amount of comfort, you know, and thing. And so me say, come on, get father and thing. And while me do them look at something there and me deliberately reason with them about certain things where as a Jamaican, you know, for do it because I want them to. I grew up emotionally dunce. When me come find me realize I was emotionally dunce because I grew up with a brand of socialization in Jamaica that never teach me that. I can't fend for myself, I can't hustle and all them something there, but when it come to feelings and them something that with woman and whatever, I was clueless. It was, but at the same time, while me I teach my boys them to do that, it's the truth them live with them mother. When them come, you know, sometimes we lay down and then I can roll over upon top and be like, what? I say, hey, you're too big now. You're not a roll over upon top of me something anymore. You understand what I say? Yeah? Yeah, certainly look at time now where if something serious happen to them, you know, maybe, you know, you would do that thing that, okay, all right, boom, boom. And then the next time you be like, you're good, man, get up. You see what I say? Get up, right? So if now get that instinctive motherly nature thing there from, you might learn a different thing from. So now, cause sometimes I see them go on to something and I say, well, I'm glad, you know, because the mother did it for them. You know what I say? But on a different level, when them come home one time, I have to flex with them certain way, cause boom, coming with some, I teach them certain thing. But if me never did it, them wouldn't have the opportunity for learning something. You understand what I say? So I agree with you. I agree with you.
We need to understand these things, and especially from my standpoint, growing up, I saw a lot of strong women in my family, and for a very long time, I didn't know how to be feminine. You understand? I didn't know what it meant to be feminine because I just thought being this strong was what I'm expected to do because that's what I saw. Me learning to what my role is and that women actually have more power when they stand in their femininity and stop acting like you is a man. Not a man. So that is why I said I need to put on back them body because I'm not a man. I don't want to be a man, unfortunately. So yeah.
So here what now? You hear what the lady sound a man out there walk on a bodiless man where I walk out there road and what the Roman sound of go find back on a body and put him back on a body and stop a foolishness and thing and I walk around without on a body and thing. Fine on a body. And nobody come on a dead body either, cause them the woman them not depend that either, whatever. You hear the lady talk, you hear the lady talk. But well, you get new blouse, you get new top door for New Year's.
You want the skirt? Let me show you the skirt. Let me show you the skirt. Let me show you the skirt.
Show me skirt. Bombard, you know, what you know? What? Jesus! Jesus! No! Them dead. The whole of them dead. The whole of them dead. The whole of them dead. Well, they're not where you at. When you go somewhere tonight?
Yeah, I will. I'm not gonna. I see the shoes your feet too.
Jesus! Them dead. The whole of them dead. Hold on. No, seriously. Well, oh, sorry. I want to just sit near, man. Behave yourself, man. Okay. You know, I make I bring this down a little bit here. Yeah. So wait, what you say? They at work?
Yeah, they work.
You serious? Yeah. Okay, but you look good at work, right? You know, man, and think 2020. I would state here, you know. New York, 2020, 2026, I hurry up for your reach, you know, the way you blaze up a place and out of a place tonight. You know, year 2026, I ball out. No, come quick. Well, no, come quick, no good, but...
God.
But you know what I say, do one thing. So what go on otherwise, do? What go on otherwise?
That, you know, it's just looking forward to the new year and doing things that I set out to do. Have my vision board in and just working on the goals that I set out for self.
So what is one thing where you want change from 2025 going to 2026? You want to set out for change it?
Being afraid to speak the truth, even if it
Oh, even if it what?
hurts. Like, just tell the truth. Like, sometimes we sugarcoat things and in the hopes to preserve people's feelings, but at the end of the day, it does them no good. So just being able to speak my truth, like, yeah.
Um, is that with certain limitations though, because you have people out there who think that it is just automatically a good thing to talk the truth, however brutal it is, sometimes without appropriate filter, and that
But that's where the emotional intelligence part comes in. Self mastery and self work is something that I constantly practice. It's not something that you ever arrive anywhere. So it's constant work. I don't mean it in a way that I'm gonna destroy anyone, but in a way that, like one time I wouldn't have said the truth about them for put on back them body, but I just say, them very sassy. And I wouldn't have explained why I think that. But that's what I want to do going forward, just to speak the truth.
right. And at the same time, I may just be a provocateur for me. But do you think that there is still room sometimes in given situations where, frankly, you don't tell the truth?
There's room to be a liar. I mean, there's always room to do good or bad. If you want to be a liar, you just want to be a liar. And normally, when people lie is in to trick someone into something or believe in something for their own benefit, right? I'm not interested in tricking anyone. I just want to tell.
No, it's not necessarily tricking, I mean, I've counseled young men when it is appropriate to do so. And one of the things I share with them, I mean, when someone I have and she come really come, I've never really come out and said this. And me explain to them, say, women by necessity, most women by necessity, them have to be inherently, deceptive, because them survival depend on it. And part of it is because of the patriarchy, because of where the double standard where man have out about them and all them something there. But when I try to explain to someone, anytime a woman said to you, me love you, me tell you everything, me have nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so. Nothing no go so.
Okay.
Nothing no go so.
Point,
Right?
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 It would not be in my best interest to do that. It would not be in my best interest as a woman to go and do that part, right? We know we still have to boost the male ego. That's just part of our feminine trait. That's part of what we have to do. I mean, I came over here and I was acting like the man. I mean,
Listen, make we admit it. The truth where you talk about, for example, if you tell some man certain truth, them can't recover from it. Talk you got truth. Them cannot recover from it. Them cannot recover from it. If woman did for tell, if all of them man out there run up the mouth, if the woman them did tell them the truth and thing and whatever, them couldn't manage it.
that's true still.
Me wrong or me right? Them couldn't manage it.
You're right.
Right?
So I guess all right. Let's say this then. I have to tell the truth with the social, in terms of social conversations that need to be had in a constructive way that is to the betterment of both genders.
Yes. All right. Remember, remember say me elder in a game now. All right. Suppose me tell you, say, there are times when women rate a man to a point where he have some imperfections there where she not like or whatever, but she rate him to a point in the relationship where she want to stay in the relationship. And there were certain things where she want him to lie to her about. And she see that as him being responsible when him lie to her about certain. We are getting at some complexities now. Mark, when I say women love men who are inherent liars, But just I say, there are times when a woman will more rate a man if him phrase the thing a certain way, whatever. All when she knows, say, I tell her, you know. But you see, because him phrase it certain way, it means that him want to stay in this thing and whatever. It sound contradictory, don't it?
It does, but then what I found is we have to learn what our attachment style is as
True.
individuals,
Yeah.
and then that helps to solve a big part of the problem. Because once you understand that you are the type of person that you like to be delusional, regardless, you just be delusional all by yourself. You didn't even need a cheerleader to be delusional.
Right.
When somebody come and I help to boost that delusion in you, you already understand, oh, this is just me. I like this. But is this still the right fit for me? If it's not, I need to let it go and move on. But we have to like do the self work. For me, I feel like no one taught me how to do that self work. No one taught me how to identify the issues and how to work on it. So
Yeah.
when I'm able to do it, that's why I try to teach other people how to do it. Because once you start to understand yourself and get to a level of, as I said, self mastery, those people really. If a man tell me say me beautiful or not, or a woman tell me it okay, thank you, I know, and it's not being cocky or anything. It's just the truth, though.
No. Yeah. I mean, yeah, and them up.
There are
So,
times that it wouldn't exude outside of myself to this
right.
level because I wasn't aware of myself and I didn't see myself the way I should have seen myself. So we just have to keep doing the self work.
No, you're on point though with know what form of attachment it is that you want from somebody. Irrespective of the fact that whether them have money or them good looking or them sort of good. You have to know what type of attachment you want. Because and the people have other modern contemporary love language and things, for example, is one of the phrases that's used, right? And it go back to the issue of compatibility. And don't be so distracted with certain objects of affection or symbols of affection on the person, of attraction, I should say. You know, again, looks, you know, clothes, car, house, money, bow leg, package, whatever. That's all fine and wonderful, but don't get so caught up with those that you're not paying attention to the ingredients that constitute this person's personality and the degree to which you are compatible with that person. Because you can have the most wonderful personality, but you're just not compatible with them in terms of the way of them flow. So you're quite right. Again, you have these language out there, love language and thing, but you say your form of attachment. And once you get in at a level and thing, yeah, if you're at the end of the day, you know, Oprah Winfrey say it, you know, her father tell her, at the end of the day, it's how people feel, right? It's how people feel. So me learn certain things about the Bible and about Yahweh and Yeshua and whatever this and that. But me know people who them understand the thing differently, right? So me not join them people who educated about something and things that just because I'm educated about it, them for force it on somebody else who never get the opportunity. That person could be happy in a freedom space. Them now do nobody nothing. Them happy, them feel good in a freedom. Leave them alone and don't feel the need for go project your thing where you get and you feel like so now you in a superior position now. So you start get condescending now and you feel like say you're gonna save them. Save what? Leave them alone. Sometimes you leave people alone in a freedom space where make them happy. Make them flow this. You don't need to go over there and fling this and that from people and feel say something wrong or you have some sort of social obligation for do it or whatever. And make people be happy. If them feel good over there, so them feel good over there. So.
Right, but one of the biggest lessons that we learn and we should all take is that we are learners. We are continuous learners, right? And with that said, nobody know everything. So there's no way I'm gonna come over here and even when you take it to people going into other people's culture, this is one of the biggest thing.
Exactly.
Because them carry the water up the hill. Oh, they're not civilized. Who tell you that? Because you didn't take the water up the hill that. Like you can't tell people what to do. People are gonna do what they want to do and whatever makes them happy. The The problem I think I have more so is when people try to come and infiltrate my way of thinking. Like, I'm not gonna go in your way of thinking. I'll leave you alone. But if you come and you ask me how I think about something and I express myself to you, and then you're gonna try to tell me how to think, then we're gonna have a big problem.
Huge problem. Huge problem. I don't know wrong if you express yourself, but if you get caught up in this thing where I'm not gonna lie, me did of it. Let me give you an example. You see this whole thing here with Ringy, you know who me call Ringy, me not like calling name. Mr. Man, such man who run the place, you know? Ringy, orange man, you know? Is that there were some things just so clear about him that made it get in a zone where some people not see this. Me, my thing was I can understand like before, whether Orrin Hatch or Newt Gingrich or whatever, but me I said, me see some extreme thing when they will come out and ringy mouth and thing. That's me I say, Jano, me don't even want to rule with you if you whatever. And I said, me don't have to get over that. Because particularly when me start see some things come out where me I say, no, but me not like this, but this align with them people too. I mean, if I just be honest with myself, you understand? I mean, I say, yo, them people upon the side, them are for them thing too, for them reason why them lacking upon it. No, me not gonna say me like the whole of them, but me just I say, if you get up in other space, where you go condemn people and denounce them and then sort of them, render them persona non grata in their entirety and whatever. So why you can't understand, say, I see him where them I see him thing them do to you where you not like. You understand what I say? So me that fit. Oh, hold on. What is TikTok? Oh, yo, TikTok. Oh, no manage over here with TikTok, man. TikTok just bombarded with a whole heap of something. You know what? I'm just, me have to keep out some right because before you know it, you just get so caught up with 20 million something what the TikTok are gear for do. And it's deliberate, it's strategic, to keep you like permanently engaged and for live over here. But yeah, that's something that where, you feel so strongly about something where you think is the right thing that it renders you incapable of seeing value in others who are on the opposite of what you believe in, Yeah, it's something where you have to kind of be careful,
And that's one of the biggest things I feel like religion does to us.
Yes.
Because some people just think that they're so holier than everyone else, and therefore they don't understand that it wasn't meant to be a divide. It was meant to bring together everyone. If you're gonna use it like you're gonna throw stone on people, obviously no one is gonna be hit. So we have to use, emotional intelligence. We have to start understanding that it's not just us. We're all coexisting on this earth, and therefore not everything you do I will like. Not everything I do you will like.
See,
Coexist.
last thing before you go. What is something good that did I go on for 2025 where you want to continue and improve for 2026?
Run them foot back at lie. When them things that them are played, them just play back with them.
Ooh, what is it? You love to run them head down. Eh?
Yeah, we're out here play together.
A player, yeah. If you're a player, you're a player too. Don't you? All right, Mr. Player. All right, let's see what, yeah. I run them in. Okay, all right. If I eat that, if I saw it there, I saw it then. I say a word, People, want to check her out, man. Her lives them are interesting, they're thought-provoking, and they're fun. And she have that look of something there where she jiggy up a thing to and whatever, and full of lyrics and thing and full of chat. Yeah, and that's yeah, man. So if you check out her thing, man, and town to see her do her live and whatever, and as you can see, her clothes clean and whatever, you can tell she smell good and all these things. So she know if you take care of herself and whatever. So if we not go over her live, I'm not gonna be no frowns rub up on and all them things. Yeah, that's what I say. All right. Big up yourself here, boo-boo. All the best for the 26. You understand? And see the Drew said her teeth looks beautiful. Jesus, and thing whatever they think them. So you see them start have aspirations about your mouth now, you know, and thing, you know, understand? No, but I have to say, you look like you have a talented mouth indeed. That is just my humble opinion, and think that you have a talented oral cavity. Yeah, put it. All right, boo boo, big up yourself here. And don't make Dr. Mac lead you astray.
No, but now make Dr. Mac leave me astray. But no.
Yeah, don't make Dr. Mac lead you astray. Cause Dr. Mac, bad influence. Bad influence. Okay. All right, big up yourself here. Love and blessings. Mm-hmm. All right, same time I do this. Oh, okay. She know the game, you know. So she know if to take down herself quick a clock or whatever. Sometimes people not really know this. Why, you know, say, who go? You go. What time you go to your bed tonight, for New Year?
Hold on now. Raga, how you feeling? You go boss in the building, you know it go.
No, man, you know, say me feel link and whatever, but you the whole grenade that thing and whatever.
Yeah, me don't see my boss, cause me link you and me see an answer from me.
No,
I know you.
Me see your text, man.
Okay, me just want to know you see. That's all I know.
Then I say crosses, this are the crosses, man, and whatever. Me say me a link you.
Over your mouth with padlock.
And then goes a 2 call come in, and before you know it,
say no. Anyway, Raga,
yo,
you know my thing. Come here for the on the hustling. You know me for out here do me for do.
See.
So you know, first and foremost.
Wait. Oh, don't say a word. Okay.
Give me the on the work, man. You know it go.
See.
I know me, you know? Yeah. But Happy New Year when it come, cause you know you gotta cut off and but still I watch you, I'm not get for say it. Cause you know me not leg off for you so till you plug off for you so.
Saying give thanks,
so,
give thanks.
Happy New Year to you as my new mentor.
See there.
And I want to Happy New Year to all of the followers, listeners, and everybody.
Yeah.
Chrome Cross, big up yourself, because I know you're soon come on.
Yeah. TamFam.
Anyway,
all TamFam.
Everybody.
Yeah.
I rather me a wait for now so I can send on the money so they can see me down a Ghana. I just wait for them. Anyway.
No, man, the general I go Ghana. Remember, say, TamFam travel. We're thinking I'm going to carry another trip go Ghana in April, and it's still open. We have spots still open and thing. You alone forward?
Rather be the set John was time.
You know, no.
Come in.
Yeah. Shh. Yeah. What?
You know, say that's why more you tell me from early, so I can put on that little piece of money there.
Yeah.
And then I just go to and go in at the diary.
Yeah.
And I flip page and I just say eeny, miny, more. Flip all the kind and say which one of them the kind drop on.
You see it. All right. Yeah. Cool. All right. Not say another word, man. And think.
Anyway,
but what? So want me. If it drop on La Vita Lota.
Hello.
No, she in a chat. La Vita Lota. La Vita in a chat. Yeah.
I want to tell you say in a Raga, what they should tell me to put it in the diary and I'm a kind of scratch her in that diary.
No, La Vita, don't.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, she did in the shot. So, I just give her a look at heads up and make her know say she in a chat and she ear. Yeah.
La Vita knows what we find me, man.
Yeah. You boy, man, tell her, you just know.
Yeah.
You don't have to think about it, you know.
Just Ragani, me tell you, say, you are the mentor.
Yeah.
So remember, say, you teach me the ray, I'm hold on upon it, I'm gravitate to it, I'm go up the road.
Yes,
yeah, but you go on no Raga.
Yes,
me see 1 million here up on the place earlier. And, you know, she makes some valid points.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Because tonight kind of look serious. But I got throw in 1 and 2 cents and then take for myself and go and watch the people because everybody want to come in, come talk. But what I have observed for the past 2 years you know, there's a major difference between relationship and partnership. And you know that. Major difference.
What's the difference? What's the fundamental difference?
Okay, good. Everybody commonize relationship. You know that. They commonize it. But when you get in the relationship now and to form the partnership, that is where the problem is. Everybody start to have fear because one person a come with a trauma and that person they a come with a trauma. Because when a person break apart, you know, there's a level of trauma there, and if they don't get it fixed before another, you know, two different persons are combined. Because remember, you know, a man have left a woman and a next man take over, and a woman left a man and a next man take over. Yes or no? Like me tell?
True.
So you have some form of trauma now, because the number one question, you know, why and that person did break apart? And why and that person break apart? There must some problem. So it come with a trauma. Yes or no?
Yeah.
And it needs to fix. Now, you see when them two different people are come back together now, that one they are come with a trauma and that one they are come with a trauma. So guess what? A level of fear in the middle now where I push the partnership aside. Them want the relationship, you know, but the partnership just now come together because of fear. Yes or no?
No, you're right. No. And particularly, potent when the parties are not aware of those fears that is inside of them. They're not aware of the luggage or the baggage where them carry. And even worse, when them can't see it in them, see them partner fear, but can't see them own thing and whatever.
And then that's a serious problem.
Yeah, problem.
Watch this now, Raga. Watch this now, Raga. A man and a woman combine together, right? And me always tell people, say, sort out and I love you and all them things there. Yeah, the reassurance is important, but them things that are really bind partnership together, you know. Not bind partnership together. I'm gonna tell you what, in my view, everybody entitled to them opinion. You see, if you're not having a good communication and understanding, and you both have a cohesive intention to say, boy, we are going to accomplish this together, we're in a trouble. It can't be a case where one party will look east and the next party will look west. No partnership, no there.
Incompatible.
No compatibility, no there.
Yeah,
Trouble.
Indeed.
It's always going to be a tug and war. Because here we go now. All right. For instance, a man and a woman join on New York State, them decide to them not look at apartment, and the man say, boy, you know, say, instead of we have pay a $2,000 a month for this, you know, my credit score up on a level and your credit score up on a level. Make up buy a 2-family house, no man. Rent downstairs, I will stay upstairs, and you know what I mean? Instead of we have pay landlord, we have pay mortgage, and we have a look at one tenant there to pay. No. So the woman might have said, no, she want to have her own thing, cause the last time she and a man do that, the man chew her out. And you understand what I say? So the healing never did there to create the partnership. So my thing is this, you see, and then you want to know, Raga, the man now take up all him hard earning savings, give Christine take it to take with herself, buy Benz, find a new man, and it mash up him head.
Christina.
I told them in a Raga, but me I try.
Yeah. Use Christina.
Well, Raga, I know something about Christina, but we all left it there, so.
Yeah. Okay.
So, long and short, Raga, and then me realized too, you see, this thing will lead to a whole prolonged thing where all the kids in the middle, the same trauma will tumble down upon the people them too.
But it usually happen, yeah. Usually.
All the time.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. And certain toxic behavior is being modeled to them. Certain dysfunctionality is being modeled to them also.
Very well. So I always tell people, you know, sort out, don't put a relationship together. If you have a partnership not into place,
yeah,
you know, go.
Yeah.
But anyway, Raga, what on come here, the Raga.
Eh,
Let me leg off of that little bit.
eh,
Like how my girl want me carry her around a Ghana, see?
yeah.
You know, I'm here to go buy the ticket and I'm here to go
Yeah,
provide looking
yeah.
at me down really.
Yeah.
I want there for our partnership up to standard.
You mean La Vita Lota?
Shh, just call it no, man.
If a partnership.
Yeah.
Me not really know, you know, but one thing I can tell you, you know, but this not define relationship, it can help though. But she full of vibes, you know.
Say,
So
look,
the
Raga,
sense of humor part, you know, have a word, like a dynamic, engaging, fun personality, that is there, you know. Mm-hmm.
I got 10 story now one.
Mm. Ah, Jesus, if
Look up them off now. Yeah, let's get them.
yeah.
10 story now.
Cut off again, you see. Me no know, I two time you start that story there. And two time you start that story there. You know. Me no know if you start that story there. You know.
I'm in have a piece of rum for that shit, John.
No, yeah, you don't even know that. Well, before you do it, turn your roll 3 times. Turn your roll 3 times, but make sure you turn to the right. Cut and clear. You're not carrying them in. Somebody, we're not carrying them in a 26 with you. We're not carrying them in a 26.
Come on.
Cut and clear. Turn back. Shoot foul. Shit. You know what we say in Jamaica? Shit foul. Shit.
Go down,
Shit. Hop off of my fender and go, boy, you baby. You're not coming in a 26 with me. Go away. Go over
Get away from me.
Go over the ANC them and stay over there so with them. Don't come follow me. Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah, really they are like me, you know. No.
Remember all people say chip no fall far from the block, you know.
You see it, cooler man, no say a word, man. You're massive, my general. Big up yourself for the 26, you know, your people and everybody, you know. No, I mean, not just say it because it's there, you know. I say it because I mean it, you understand? Remember, you know, them have this thing, it's a cliche, but there's value in it, you know. Speak it into being, you know. You know, if you really live for that something there, you know, the universe have no alternative but to conform to your objectives, you know, when you press on and I push through. You understand what I say? So that's the thing there, right? Wish you all the best, my brother, with the family, everybody. And I'm looking forward for a juggler Ghana together and thing. And
you know, round you go festive, you know.
Me I tell you, man, no say another word, man, all right?
Raga, just let me know.
Yes.
Ray.
Yes.
So me can Ray. By the way, me ask you something. What me have to do? Me have to go fly come to New York from Georgia, or me can fly from Georgia go straight. How you gonna do it?
You have the option there, but I can tell you what the people in the past have done. They have found it, 1, that is cost effective, and 2, them enjoy more when them come New York. Because we have people who come from all over, you know, but them come New York on a flight and them fly with we as a group.
Yeah, that more festive. So that you know say. You can tell all the pilots, say, I am my boss. Sure.
No man. So the whole of we always, you know. But you have people who come from England, you know, and thing. But in America, you have people we always have people from Florida, we have people from California, we have people from Maryland and thing. But them always come up to New York and the whole of we go up on the flight.
So is a direct flight from New York?
It's a direct, deliberately chosen from New York to Ghana, direct.
How much hour?
10 and change.
Yeah, we can't live with that.
Yeah, man. No, man. Trust me, it backs off. You watch 2 movies and thing and whatever, and before you know it, you drop asleep and thing, and you have a couple nightmares about you're there at Jamaica war with people, and then you wake up and you're good again.
Hey, Raga! Raga!
Yeah.
You know, say me hear a youth on TikTok. The last thing is me gonna say before me go away.
Yeah.
Me hear a youth on TikTok say something. And I chew him attack. It happened to me. Me even comment. Raga, you know say. Before me even think of having green card before me get citizenship. You know say one day me got my bed. Dream say me there Jamaica raga. Run up and down all boat. Dream, you know.
Mm-hmm.
My grandfather wake up and say, nah, go back a foreign. Jado, bumbo clad, raga. When me stay and check back myself and realize, say, they know me I go reach back and me illegal. Oh, me I go reach back.
Mm-hmm.
Serious, what me I tell you now? So,
No.
the nightmare thing on the plane,
When you did have that dream there, you did up, yeah?
Me I tell you, raga, say, I find me there now the papers, man.
Okay, and then before you know it, that worked
Dream,
out.
say me there Jamaica and home, me I go come back up here.
But let me ask you something. As a Jamaican, do you think dreams predict or they reflect?
No. Some dream predict, you know. And some dream reflect.
Okay, all right.
I'm going to tell you one thing I know where predict. You know, say, raga, my dream, say, my son.
Mm-hmm.
Show me, I take out a condom, and I say, Daddy, look on a condom here, and his mother war with him. Say, oh, and raga, you know, say, the same thing. My son go to my mother purse and take out the condom and show me. Me, I said, John, oh boy, you're wicked.
Well, so, your mother, I walk around with condom?
You know,
Well, on.
John, hey!
No, but well on, them time that you did I use condom?
Use a kind of condom.
Say no more. We get it. We understand where I'm going. How old was your son at that time? How old was your son?
A 2-year-old man.
2-year-old. I play with the mother person and find person.
Raga, some dream.
Yeah.
I see something I tell you on the line. I tell you now.
Yeah.
And you know now, say, true, and it all go back. True, she want to stay in a relationship.
Mm-hmm.
She give me a holo. You know all people say holo?
Yeah, man. Give me a
holo.
Yeah, holo, yeah.
The boy, based on her job, them a geek. So I say then,
yes,
so hold on now. So, out of all of the whole pack with them give, why you keep one? Why you never keep the whole pack?
Yeah.
So she give her brother some.
Yeah.
Back one.
Right.
Boy, raga.
All right, hold on. Real quick. Last question before you go. Based on what we did, me and a millionaire did that about, and me I say, right, some people love to, I always tell people, you know, them love to look at life is black and white, but the people that who me realize master life, you know, they master between black and white, the gray areas, right? So tell me, you know, at that time, when she tell you that, talk it truth, and you know say a lie, she tell.
Oh God, raga man.
Right, but when she tell you that, you did just work with it, don't?
Raga work with what? You crazy?
You never work with it?
Raga, listen, man. Listen, raga. Now, remember, you know, them say woman a detective, man a detective too. You understand? Now, when she tell me that, you know, I just give her the assurance, say, well, yeah, I believe you, I'm work with you. You understand? But deep down within myself, you and I don't use such a thing. So you don't need to have it. But, you know it go. Me just say, no, take that one bunny and call it a day. But I get all 2, 3, 4. But I look like she'll protect me.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
But
No, but you just agree with what me I say.
Yeah, me don't say, you know what?
Yeah, you work.
Yeah. Me no believe. Me don't say, all right.
No, but you give her the impression and say, all right.
Yes, man.
All right. Yeah, listen now. No. Listen, because these are the real attack claps. You see me and you there where I use whole time Jamaican talk, right? So you hear the attack claps, you know, and talk a God tune.
Yeah.
If she tell you at that point, they say, yeah, at this why I'm taking body, you know, so I just always have a condom when I take. Oh, what would have been your reaction if she tell you the truth?
Well,
First
and foremost.
Yeah.
First and foremost, I would have first and foremost write her a very strong letter. a very strong letter that she either needs to demit office
Yeah.
or her service will be terminated with immediate effect.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
No. You know me that a violent man and come on to woman. I don't have time for them something. Like, I will love them too much to put your hand on them.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
But long and short of it, rather.
Yeah.
I know within myself that something happened.
Right.
She denied it and she said no go so. So I say, all right, you know what? I wonder for the benefit. Why she wants to stay, she genuinely. But long and short of it. If the next thing I try to figure out, you know, if you want to give a man a bun, why you want to stay? Is it that the benefit of you just rate the man or you just go try the man there and come back or something? You know what I mean?
There's one heap of ways to answer that. We could have stayed forever tonight at top and that. But we just want to be clear before you go. Because sometimes I try to explain them things to young people and them not get it. So to be clear, you know, it never feel good. But it did feel better and practically given certain circumstances in our life at that time. What obtained from that event was that you work with the lie and continue the relationship. But if she did tell you a truth, which was the opposite of the lie, you wouldn't continue the relationship.
No, but the fact of the matter is, in a Raga, continue with the relationship. No, man, that is a red flag for me. I
mean you stay in it, but what you're saying though, had she tell you a truth that was the opposite of the lie, when she tell you a straight cut off, demit office, and if you not do it, me gone, or whatever. That kind of thing. Right. Yeah. What I'm saying, it is something I couldn't understand because it's women educate me about this, you know.
Okay.
And I could not understand it when I was younger. It's when I get older, I was like, no, me understand what the woman them did I said to me at that time. Because his woman tell me, say, no, if them love a man and the man born her and whatever. Like it was a friend I had in Connecticut. And him a born her and every minute your woman them and him deny it. And them stay together. And I see them happy all the while. in a fit them way, you know. And then we never see them for a while. And then when my book her up about like, you know, almost a 2 years, I say, well, go on and boom, boom, boom. And I say, well, I'm to you, Irad. And I say, well, I'm to young but she said, no, man, we left. I said, oh, for real? And she's like, someone said, well,
starting route to 6943 Douglas.
One time, right here, man.
Yeah. And she said, no, he told me that I asked him and he said that he was cheating on me and I bond me with so and so. And she said, that was it. It was over.
Yeah, right.
But I said, but no, you say you know, say I'm born a long time. And she said, yeah, but them time them lie.
Yeah.
And then, so me I said, so you left him when him tell the truth, but stay with him when him tell the lie. She said, yeah. And I said, no, it's a woman thing, you know. If you love the man and whatever, and if him love you, him supposed to lie to you.
Yeah, but you know what I mean.
Well, let me give you a next example. This is a famous example. Jack Nicholson, you know the actor Jack Nicholson, right?
Yeah.
He was with an equally famous actress, Angelica Houston, right? And them attack to them interview Angelica, and she said, nah, man, but I left him and him the 2 while and this and that and wait. And them I said, but you stay for a long while, and she said, yeah, and whatever, boom. And when them go to Jack now, and I said, Jack, you know, so we talk to Angelica, and she said, I be a lie, you tell her. And Jack said, yeah. And I said, but why you do that? And him I said, then she am a woman, then she me for lie to the rest of them. I tell them the truth. Them either work with it or not or whatever. This is a true story, you know. And Jack Nicholson said, the only woman me lie to am my woman, and she me go lie to. The rest of them I tell them the truth. I said, I saw it set, you know, either you work with it or whatever. Yeah, you work with it. Okay, we're good and whatever. Boom, bam, 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 bam. I say, tell the rest of them the truth. I just woman him lie to. And I say, yo, if you kind of get locked up in that kind of gospel type of something there and this kind of foundational conception of what honesty is and all them something there and whatever, where you see in a movie and read in a book or ABC book and them something there, then some of the complexity of life, you know, you're not going to be able to manage it, you know, because in truth, the world not really works or in general.
So long and short right now, she preserve our relationship. So she say, you know what? You don't not married him no know. So I just give him a all look like him have a club, make him go and work with it and call it a day.
Yeah, some people are, no, man, I say everybody's like, I say some people, they're like, give me a lie to work with. I mean, no lie you're telling you, but give me a credible lie to work with where me can, in a MySpace, to go back to where Millionaire Greenland said, where in a MySpace, me can say, based on your lie, at least me can have some comfort for say, I can't chew. At least a little part I can't chew based on your lie. Some people are like that. but it's like once you tell me the truth, no, me can't create no look at delusion and thing in my head for cope with it and say, well, you did tell me so and so, that's why I stay. But for you tell me the truth, me don't know if I maneuver around now if I go make some amends or accommodation for say, all right, let me try work with it and thing because you tell me the truth.
Yeah.
Of course, all of this is mute. All of this is moot, M-O-O-T. If you don't do it, forget you in a trouble in the first place, okay?
Yeah.
All right then, cool. All right then. All right, my brother. Bless up yourself.
Raga,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
so
Yeah, man.
give me the information. I could deal with that.
Yes.
Big up your-
All right. Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool.
And all TamFamers, you don't know Hugo will be in Ghana.
Proper.
Big up yourself. Love until me soon, now 2026. How you feeling? Hugo Boss is out. Don't forget 2026. Cover on the mouth with padlock. I'm out.
See it there. All right.
Love again, my boss.
Yeah, man. Respect, man. Cool. Oh, okay. Listen, next year, you know, so we'll tackle him something, boy. Because in America, Canada, and Western world and thing, when I talk, because sometimes we get so caught up over here with what's going on in America and the Western world that we forget the rest of the world out there, you know, and them that up on social media like that, and them millions of people that live happy lives out there in different ways and whatever, and not get caught up in so much of what is going on over here. But I find that there are a lot of men out there who can't deal with, you know, the addition of the modern woman that is out there right now. You know, this thing about woman, they're more independent and thing, and then very openly I say, I'm not my mother and I'm not my grandmother and whatever and thing like that. A lot of men can't deal with that, and for them things like them come America and them change and them this and that and whatever, and them, I don't know, good woman again. So you have a whole heap of man have problem adjust to that. And them themselves now adapt. Right? The whole idea them can't deal with a confident, self-determining, self-sufficient woman and all these things with the thinking that goes with that. At the same time, you have a lot of women out there who will tell you plain, say, them not juggle like them mother, and them not put up with what them mother put up with her, where them grandmother put up with her, and them something. And they can very eloquently communicate the ways in which they're different. But somehow, them not understand, say, them things that have an impact on man. And if you think, say, your thing is to be a body, that's one of the things out there, and for this and that and whatever, and wild up man, and man supposed to deal with it, because you're not strong, you're not man and whatever. And I see them women up on social media every day, I cuss man, and I say, no man now approach woman again, no man no want, no man now hold it again, man no strong again, man no this and that and whatever, and I know say, a lot of them man there, for them thing right now is all about finding somebody who they can be peace, you know? You can enjoy this lady, but they can be peace. And a lot of these women, them, I don't know, them just seem to understand that. Them have this thing like the man supposed to adapt and put up with for them foolishness and the new them. And some things will come out. Me see a woman come back, me see a woman make a post and she say, yo, there's some idiot man out there, you know. And me a listening, because me love listen to them, you know. Me love watch them and listen to them. So she say, some idiot man out there, me a watch her and me say, me a wait for it, man, because she sound like one of them. Then hear her now, no. Hey, is a real man when you ask him for something, him give you right away, you know. These men, you ask them for something and they're telling like, well, they don't have it right now. You probably have to wait until next week. And yeah, they'll give it to you, but I don't want a man who, when I ask for something, I don't get it right away. You're not a man. I'm supposed to get it right away. I'm just sit down and I look on her nastiness, you know, whatever. I say, just another one of them and thing. I say, yeah, man, you know, your 20s and you look and you can't pass and whatever. How was that sound there a while ago? How was that sound there a while ago? Only hear that sound there a while ago? Oh, yeah, the chime, though. People, just give me a second there here. Think I joke me make. Me now go man at 2026 with any of them foolishness, you know. What? I'm serious, man. I'm not carrying them over with me, man. I'm not carrying them over with me. I'm not carrying them. Dry yard is a belief killer and belief cure. You follow my. You new over here, dry yard. Eh? I'm not carrying them over when I'm 26 with me. Eh? Yes, try and can turn your rule to here. Michael Kelly, you never hear it. Every whole heap of people hear it, man. Whole heap of people hear it. You understand? No, them not come over with me, man. Them not come over with me. Raga, you jump revival. But yeah, I grew up in a revival. My mother was a staunch revivalist, Zionist here. Not like where you're European in America, you know. Zionist and a revivalism are different, so. Right? But those are one day me telling about revivalism, right? You have what them call the 60 and the 61 them, you know? The 60 are the Zionists them and the 61 are the what is more along the lines of Pukumina or Pukumania. But I'll explain that to you and whatever. And it is mitigated by, unfortunately, by, you know, colonial constructs, you know, British colonial constructs and all them thing there and thing. But Chantilly, what's up? Chantilly in the building. But basically, the Zionists, they're all revivalists, but the Zionists, they, them have the strong African retentions, the rapid and the thing like that and whatever. That was also demonized and vilified by European doctrine and so forth. And think to this day, you hear Jamaicans refer to rapid people in a negative way and thing and whatever, which obviously is Africa. You come from, you go Africa or whatever. Just all of the women, them have them here rapping out kind of thing and whatever. And was just used in the church also because they're still being who they are and thing. But then in Africa, ancestor reverence is also a big thing. Your ancestors are important. They have all these rituals and these belief systems that surround giving respect to those before you. The thing is, they do this through rituals. And then once people see rituals, like them say candle or them say some form of reverence or go on or whatever, people think religion. So them just assume, based on the dictates of European doctrine, that, position themselves as being superior to everything else and indoctrinate anybody. All of the places them where them go take over. And for them thing is, if it's not European and it is not white Christian, I look up in the heaven, they say some white angel with white wing I come out of the sky with puffy clouds and all them something there, whatever, I blow Hosanna and all them something. Their thing is, if I know that, then it's evil. But then now you have African, and when we say African, again, let's be careful here because very often people say Africa like it's a country and forget it's a continent. It's a huge continent with 54 countries and things like that. And very diverse and whatever, but they have common narratives. But one of the concepts in like that goes across cultures in Africa is, for example, the sacredness of earth. And it's not something exclusive to Africa. The Native Americans have that too, They have respect for the environment and all them something there. They'll respect the trees, they'll respect the ground and whatever, and this and that from that bear fruits for us and things like that. And the whole idea is to work with nature as opposed to exploiting nature, which is what the Industrial Revolution and why people for them thing is to just take, excavate, take, and when it done, you're gone, you left it and whatever. But so in Africa, for example, you had this culture where people misunderstood what was going on when them say the man them wear slippers and the woman them did barefoot. And to cut long story short, what it was, because them I think European, and what it was that the ground is sacred. And it's only the givers of life who are allowed to come in direct contact with the ground. The man, they must wear slippers because them not as sacred as the woman, and the women were the ones who were celebrated. But if you think Western, I say, the man, them wear shoes and the woman, them barefoot, what kind of thing that, when that not have nothing to do with what the people, them, or for them things said. So them celebrate earth, and them respect earth. Them respect dirt, them respect earth. And then the idea is that if you bury your ancestors in the ground, then the ground becomes sacred because your ancestors are sacred. The first time me go to Ghana and I tell them about nursing woman, whatever, them sit down, the whole of them look at me like, what you mean? I'm saying, no, them have nursing woman, whatever, when people, them family get old, them send them on. And they were just dumbfounded. Why would you do that? And I was like, no, you keep your elderly close. And then, them I explain, like, I want them close, you want to bury them someplace near to you too. We don't even want to go to a cemetery. We want to bury them near to us so we can, them still with us. So, and at that time, I was like, this is a whole different, and Mark, some of we, we have, graves that we consider sacred and all these things or whatever. But again, I was raised in a Christian home, and all the film them and the Bible, and when we're looking at the Bible and whatever, hell down in the ground. Right, so Satan down there so. right? And the fire and hell running and whatever, and it opened up. That I don't know, and I'm sure enough I want to grow up with that something they too, right? So heaven was up, and hell was down. That is how I was raised. So you find the 61 Afro-Christians who were, them call it syncretic religions, and they're all over the Caribbean, and basically the European them bring for them thing, and the African them did Wallamp and for them thing, and over centuries you had this kind of hybridization that took place and whatever. For we in Jamaica, it was revivalism. In Trinidad, it was Shango. In Brazil, northern Brazil, it was Candomblé. In Cuba, it was Santeria. You know, along, we'll go over in Puerto Rico and all in place and whatever. But they're basically syncretic religion mixing the African with whatever European power form of religion was dominating there. But just because them say hell down this and all and sitting, you know, and just because them a position themselves in this comparative thing, you know, we are better, European is better, anything outside of that, them now worship the right person because God up in the sky. So when these form of Afro-Christians retained those elements of, you know, of their West African Akan way of being, and particularly, you know, the people them over St. Thomas, who were more from a certain region of the Congo, that is where Kumina come from, where they were saying reverence to the earth. I saw them other people, you know, I say, see it there? Them a worship Eden and all them something, them a worship the dead, them a worship Duppy, them a worship this and that, and I saw them start burn them out. And that's how you have the 60 different from the 61. Where two of them are revivalists, you know. But the 60 people, them they like the 61. And 61 think the 60 people, them ignorant and fool because them are ignore certain important African elements. So that, in essence, that's what it is, right? Which is not unusual with so much of what occurred over centuries in Jamaica with respect to the contestation between a European ethos and an African ethos and whatever. So you find that post-colonial societies, that there's a constant tension there between you know, those little things manifested in these everyday thing, you know, in a Jamaica pretty year, yeah, your baby year and your pretty year and whatever, that approximates Caucasian here, as opposed to other people that say, no man, your natural year look good, man, keep your natural year, man, and that looks sexy and whatever, you know, with the stronger versions of it being Rastafari, for example, and then people who are cream them year or whatever and things like that. So yeah, them things they just constantly did it, you know. But yeah, the tug of war continues up till this day. Bleaching, you see it out. The light skin, dark skin, all kind of something out there, whatever. See? And of course, I don't know where me stand, right? Yeah, but and again, me not force my thing for other people, you know. Everybody have a journey, you know, and at the end of the day, we're all responsible for our respective happiness. And what make you happy, and not gonna necessarily make me happy. And I mean, I have to respect you and your space. You know, when I grew up, you know, you didn't have some Rasta them, you know, nothing with no white Jesus or nothing or whatever, you know. But when me did a call church, them said, no, you go on a church, man. No, come off of the road and go in a church. Them not care for the church, you know, what the church that preach and whatever, you know. But they had this discipline and this security of self to say, and am I think that, you know. But when sister they just bust, you know. When sister and dada they just bust, sister go up on stage and hold up a picture of white Jesus and tear it up. And at the hardcore Orthodox Rasta them come out and say, hey, we not support that. We not have nothing to do with that white Jesus there, you know. But we not support what him do. And that is not Rastafari. And them people, you know, me admire and respect, and that's why me strive to have that something there in me, where Me know what make me happy. Me know what liberate my mind. Me know why me love my big nose, right? Me know why me love my lip. Me know why me nah go bleach. Me know all of them something there. But me nah go look on somebody and say something wrong with you and you're less a human being because you never have the opportunities than what me have or made the choices that I made to reach the point where I am, right? Because as much as me, the so and so, me still not perfect. Somebody else know more than me about something or whatever the case may be. So at the end of the day, we can have our differences, but we must lose our capacity and our capabilities to still live together harmoniously, even with our differences. And we can't get so caught up with focusing so much on our differences. That's what we end up not seeing or ignoring our similarities. And when me get older, I realize how similar Rastafari and Christians were like, and them act like them so different. Right? Amazing. Anyway, on New Year's Eve, you know, sometimes the show go where the show go, you know, you just have to go where the show go, you know, and just know say somebody I get something from it and thing, you understand? And I know some boy move with the spirit, you know. And at times, a little Baileys, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Respectful dissonance. I like that. Sounds contradictory, but it's not. Chantilly said, I want to join before you change this topic. Okay, let's hear it. All right.
Good night, good night.
And a good night to you. Where you going?
Nothing. So Raga, you know something? It's funny that I came on and then whatever happened and you do the spin your roll and the topic change, right?
Yeah.
Because today, like I'm not religious or anything.
Mhm.
And by the way, I was born in St. Thomas but raised in Portland. I'm also a Virgo like you.
All right. So you know, say that a Cumina and Brookings. We know Brookings are
Exactly,
Portland
yes.
and St. Thomas are Cumina.
Coming up. Mhm.
And by the
So
way, St. Thomas is considered the parish with the strongest African retentions in our folk forms.
yes. And
Yes.
so when I was growing up, because I grew up 7-day Adventist,
Oh
I grew up,
boy.
yeah, very strict, you know. But
Strict,
I
yeah.
never really like going to church, to be honest. I was
Yeah.
like, yeah, I once I could stop going, I didn't go. Like, and so my first exposure to Kumina was my mom adopted sister. She was dating somebody and they're very traditional when it comes to Kumina and whatnot. So they would have it like every year because they strongly believe that if they don't do it, somebody in their family would die. So I went to one and boy, let me tell you, I did not know because like I said, I grew up 7-day Adventist, and when I went for summer holiday in St. Thomas, my aunt, she likes to go to Revival Church, but I was afraid of it. I don't know
Yeah.
why, but I was just afraid. And then, so I went to this Kumina, and man, once the jump start playing, you know, it's like, I don't know if I have maroon, because you know, they say when you have maroon spirit or something like that, it's like you attract the drum or something. I don't know.
Yeah.
But anyhow, like I was just there and just, you know, taking everything in, and I start to feel like once the drummer play, it's like there's a spirit or something. I don't know, there's some kind of power attached to the drum. But you start to feel it, like you start for rock and then you're getting it, and before you know it, I was dancing. Man, let me tell you, I catch it at that thing. I did not know that I could like get in spirit or mile or whatever the hell it is. But
Right.
anyhow, I got into it and I you know, I came out, whatever. And then that passed and whatever. It's a series of story, and then I'll come back to why I talk about earlier today. So anyhow, when I migrated, I moved to New York and whatnot. I went to this church in Brooklyn one night for whatever reason. I heard about the church in a song or a testimony or something. It's called Temple of Restoration. It was on Dean Street. And I went there because I had a dream about some popular person in Jamaica that there was this attempt against their life. So you know what? I said I was going to go to this church because the person testimony said that they were basically dead and the pastor revived them. So anyway, I went down there to pray for the person. It was a political figure or whatnot. So that happened, and let me tell you, I catch into this spirit thing again. And I was like, what is going on? And I was so embarrassed because that never happened to me before, especially in public like that. And then I was sitting next to like some white people, you know, and the guy was like, are you okay? And I was just like, yes, and grab my bag and storm out.
Right.
And then I left. And it was weird because I lived in the Bronx at the time and the church was in Brooklyn. I drove almost like 2 hours on the train to get to the church. And it was so hard to find the church. And every time I would try to turn back, like I heard a voice saying, suppose me turn back and the lady die. So I was like, what is this? It was just like a tormenting feeling, you know? So anyhow, that happened. And then after that, I noticed that this thing happened from time to time, but not like random. It always tied to somebody or something, mainly specifically to Jamaica. Anyhow, I started to have this thing way years ago where it's like, I don't want to sound crazy because, you know, people who
No,
don't
but
understand.
hold on. In the interest of time, on New Year's Eve, like, you know, but what happened today? Because you said something happened
Yeah,
today.
I'm getting, yes,
Yeah.
directly to that point now. So, few years ago, like I said, I had this thing where this tambourine keep coming up. And I'm like, I don't know, I brush it off. It's like I keep feeling that I need to buy a tambourine and I don't know why. So anyhow, recently it happened again. So I say, you know what, I'm gonna buy a tambourine. The tambourine was like $40 or whatever. So I bought the tambourine, and then today now I was shaking it for just jokingly, you know, and then it's like some spiritual stuff again. So I started to look it up, and I found that it supposedly have some kind of spiritual significance. And then you came up, and it was like something about you needing to get back like a real tambourine, not like a sound effect thing that, you know, like I remember back in the days they used to have a tambourine, like a real tambourine.
Right.
People call your show. But now I notice instead of the real tambourine, you use like a sound effect. But for some reason it kept coming up that you need to get back to the tambourine. I don't know what that's supposed to mean or what, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna call your show and remind you to get like an actual, I don't know if you got rid of the old one or what happened to it, but I haven't seen it. So I don't know what you think about getting into the tambourine. And also it was just like another thought about that we need to you know, like teach more about Jamaican culture in a more pure, natural way for like the younger people, not even only young people, because it seems like there are a lot of Jamaicans who are not in tune with that side of our culture. Not
That's true.
like just dancehall, but like the coming of the revival. So I was happy when I heard you started to talk about the revival and the coming and that type of stuff, because I think that if our people learn more about that part of the culture, then a lot of things can shift in Jamaica.
Shift for the better.
Yes.
And you're suggesting that perhaps
Yes, you could
to give
lead
some
that charge.
to give some consideration to getting back a tambourine, like
Yes.
original tambourine and things like that. And this came to you
Today,
yeah,
specifically
today, yeah.
about you in particular, but I was having this series of event where it came up that I need one for myself, and I couldn't figure out like why I need a damn tambourine.
Yeah, well, perhaps you and I are gonna end up playing the tambourine together.
Maybe. Who knows?
Maybe, you never know. No, thank you for that. Thank you for that. I've been meaning of whatever. But again, you know, I do things with the, you know, I follow my spirit, and you know, anything you see me do, I feel it, you know.
Yeah, I'm the
and
same way, but I don't know. That's why I felt like, you know what, I need to tell you that I had the feeling that you need to get your tambourine back.
all right, no man, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. Very nice. Something when I spoke to you, and you're just making sure you carry the message. You understand? And pass it
Somebody
on.
say, yes, I'm right. See somebody in the comments saying, yes, she's right.
Jackie's like, yes, you're right. Yeah, but no man, the tambourine is ubiquitous with me, and it has always been, not just on a brand thing or whatever. I just literally enjoyed it.
Yeah, I
And
don't know
things
if
so
it
on.
had any kind of spiritual meaning for you or whatnot, but I don't know.
No, well, it did, but it was the personal for long time listeners will remember Sister Peggy. It was one time I do the show. Jamaica. I said, John, I wish me did have a tambourine. I wish me did have a tambourine right now because the tambourine for shit. Because I grew up with tambourine. I grew up, my mother, I was raised in a revival home. I was raised in a Christian home. So I went to East Queen Street Baptist Church, which is a traditional European church. But my mother was also a revivalist. So I go revival church right through I come up. So I used to tambourine. I can play a tambourine. I know a tambourine. So when I'm happy, I say, no, I want a tambourine. And Sister Peggy downtown, a Rallington town, here, run go downtown, Kingston, go buy one tambourine, and bring out the tambourine, come up on New Start 93 FM at University before the show done. And the rest is history. The tambourine became a thing with me, and it just evolved into this, like spiritual fun thing too. Fun thing, like whenever like the Mixup them turn up, it was tambourine, them days there,
Yeah.
Yeah, them days, give time. No, but thank you for that.
You're welcome.
You had a moment of someone like a moment of epiphany, and you say, some need to make Raga hear this and thing or whatever. So that is your gift to me for the new year.
Yes.
What you just shared with me, that we get this thing in a Raga, me pass it on, and I thank you.
You're
Right,
welcome.
right. Profound gratitude for sharing that. All right.
You're welcome. Yeah, no problem.
Blessings, man. Respect and things, Chantilly. Cool. People, well, we're up on the East Coast here, so where is this thing?
Wait, how you take me off?
Okay, I'm about to do it. Okay. Okay, here we go. So once a big respect to the people and who are listening, who you are located someplace where the new year has already started and thing. All right. And the trip shirt should have tambourine on it. No, man. Me like the original tambourine, them, because the one them up here, them mash up quick. Because them not make for play or we play it, that. So the one them we have, they make with boot skin, and things like that, and them firm up, But them not really have that kind of up here, You can't get them a certain spot still, But you have to know if you go. But you're not going to get them a Guitar Center or a Samash music store or anything like that, because them not really have them kind, Me, I need for link you, One, I never two, no worry yourself, man. I'll link you, man, all right? I'll link you, blessings and respect. So people, we come down to the wire, 11 o'clock, just gone right now. All I know, just know, say, sometimes we focus on things where we have to change. And that is good. And it's a thing, New Year will come, things we don't want to do different. And in doing so, you have to end up a look on the things them that are not so pleasant, right? The things them you want to change because, you start focus on so and so this are going on. I'm not going at the new year with this. So very often when people make resolutions, it's to discard something bad. It's to discard some kind of negative thing, But I want to, again, remind many of you that it's just a human thing if it just focus on the negative sometimes and all the while and thing without acknowledging all of the good we are happening in our life. Because the bad can just catch your attention so much that you just need to change this and it doesn't feel good and you want to stop not feeling good and all these things and whatever. That in order to achieve better, we end up focusing on the bad in order to achieve better because we think that we need to get rid of the bad to be better. And that makes sense. But again, I want to respectfully submit that very often, what we also need to do is to focus on the good things that have been going on in our lives. And when the new year comes and we make a resolution, you can make a resolution to continue the good things, but you can't continue it if you're not focused on it, You can't continue it if you sit on there and you take it for granted because it's just there. So you don't have to worry about it because the good things are come. So that means you have to consciously continue the good things that already are going. And for a lot of you have a lot of good, no care what kind of problem you go through. There's some good things going on in our life right now where when you not focus on them, you just go through them and just accept them when them come and them nice and whatever. And I just want to encourage you all to say, yeah, there is value and currency in changing that which is unpleasant, not so pleasant in your lives for the better, yes. But even more important is to focus on the good things that have been happening. And I know that someone are listening to why the way I go through right and all no good things that in my life. Not true. Everyone I know have some things to be thankful for. Everyone I own have things to be thankful for. Me, I'm a simple guy, But I've had some people around me and they're just wonderful people. You see people, you see all them ANC women the way you hear me I pick one. I pick, SDC woman them too, but me it's SDC the power. My little joke and I pick one them. So when I just sit down and I'm just, they're just a wonderful set of women, and I am just happy and fortunate to have them in my life. Come you go to one, them know me at that. Them you go to certain little thing and whatever. And a whole negative thing did I go on with some people who did around me and people who me never expect certain things from, them behave certain way, and I'm just kind of back off and read the tea leaves and be like, okay, leave it alone. Back off and thing, And then I realized what I was doing that caused those people to be in my space. And I realized that, what they were doing, which was just toxic and just awful and whatever, and the way they are, and things like that. That I actually seen it. I've seen it, me see it from early on. And I was just like, them not doing nothing, I'm not afraid of nobody, then can come back to me in my face and whatever. But me make the choices, whether consciously or unconsciously, to allow them in my space. When me don't say certain things about them, but me just ignore it. And them something they fester. Right? Fester and get awful, to a point where I'm just like, I'm not gonna argue and fight with them something there because this may sound arrogant, but I consider myself way above that. So I'm just like, nope, not going there. So I'm pull away and cut off them people and thing, and go in my space and thing. And then I'm start to like consciously, if I see them something, that certain people now, laugh, learn and what, grow. So I grow now, so me no entertain them thing and bring back them energy there in my space anymore. And that was a good thing. because for the rest of 2025, it was just awesome for me. It was just great to have just fun and this may sound weird, but there's a certain amount of security that comes with it too. I mean, I trust everybody now. No, I don't. I'm just saying I learned from some mistakes I was making. I made better choices, and those better choices they gave great results, you know? And so I'm just very thankful for, like a different set of people who me just sit down and me pre them. Charm, Christina, Tall Herd, them people, and, Munchie and Tarsha, and them people, and, Anthony and what. It's just a different set of people. Them just think different, and them just, them just more positive, and more caring and compassionate, and them think about people's feelings and things like that, and them not have this kind of vitriol to hurt others or delight in the demise of others, and them not like, them not get validity, from excelling in toxicity. If we say them, them are the star in our toxin. It's just a different set of people, and I am thankful for that. I'm just like, one example, I am so thankful for that. Someone continue that for 2026, So along the same lines, many of our people who go now one time in a 2025. I say, Ray, this and that and thing. Fine. But give thanks to the people them too who have, who have been good to you. And strive to make them know that you appreciate that they have been good to you. And strive to do things and make choices that can reciprocate to them, the good that they do to you, that you can do for them too in some way, Be there for them just like how you appreciate them. They have been there for you. Many of you may have tried something like something new, a new career, or you try to teach yourself something and it went good. Yeah, man. Water that, man, so that grow, man. Many of you may have tried something different in terms of who you date or what type of relationship you're in or whatever, and it turned out good. Water that, man. Give thanks to that, man, and Billy go and build pan it same way, man. Right? Don't spend your time, I think, so much for focus on repairing the negative in the 2026 while sacrificing, enhancing the positive that is already there, Everyone I don't care what I go through, want to have something or some things for which you should be thankful, Right? I don't know. My younger son had a rough time in school with the social part of it, And this semester I was gone or whatever, it was so much better, It was so better. It was so better in terms of, how him govern him thing or whatever. I'm glad and happy, see. Yeah. And certain things I do, I mean, I take credit for it alone, big up him mother and thing who apply herself to one thing or whatever. So just so you know, it's not a meeting, because she really, like, I give thanks, right? I have 3 kids by 2 mothers, and the 2 mothers, them, oh God, every day I give thanks, So them not careless or nothing, and they're just really into being responsible, present mothers and things like that. Very, very thankful. If anything happen to me right now, I know them good. But what I'm saying is, there's some things where me do with him, and thing, and I see where those they yielded positive results. So I continue them something there, right? And some of it is just like I work hard, people. I'm always working and things like that. And we just have to remind it's about one song, one white people song we they love in a Harry Chapin, and it's called Cats in the Cradle. You must listen to that song there if you don't know that song there. But that song had a profound impact on me when I heard it first at Camp Jewel in Colebrook, Connecticut. And then at a certain point I was, and it's about a father who was just working so hard and wasn't there. But he was a good provider. But he wasn't there. Very good provider, hard worker and whatever, good provider, but he wasn't there. And me, when I see what going on with my, say, you know, say you need to cut down on the work a little bit and just spend some more time and just be there, you know. Some do more of that and whatever, and then when you do that, you can, when you're there more, you're present, not just physically, but present mentally too. When you're around your kids, spontaneous stuff happen just because you're there. If you never did it, it wouldn't happen. So because you're there, you have all these hey daddy moments. You know, these moments, hey daddy, you know that daddy ever so and so that. But if you never did it, them something that wouldn't come up, you know. And because you did it now, you can apply, you know, creatively apply, you know, certain teachings when they're more receptive to it. That just come up spontaneously because you're there. And I'm very attuned to certain things and whatever. And because of that, I notice like when I talk to my kids, they focus more because it's like you're there. So them listen more, and then I can create interesting analogies for them to understand it because I know more about them now and them games. They're into games. So I can teach them through their games and through the characters from their world and whatever because I'm there. And they in turn are more receptive to it because it's more meaningful to them. And it happened because I'm there. And then now being equipped with that which I imparted to them, they are now more empowered to apply what I taught them. So I can continue that. Yeah, more continue that, you know, being there. And yeah, I can't work too hard sometimes, you know, but you can't work hard, you know. You know them Jamaican man there? Oh, the man grateful, I'm work hard for so and so and so and so, but you weren't there. Yeah, you know, people who think that spend the money and that's it and whatever and thing, and you know, that's the relationship. Me work, spend the money and you're there. That's the relationship. No, you have to be there too, you know. Yeah, no. So I'm just saying, I know many of you have your versions of that. Some good things that have been going on in your life that if it's good and it worked for 2025, continue it. But if you're not consciously making an effort to say, okay, what are the good things that happened to me this year? Who were the good people around me this year? And why were they good? I must be thankful for those people. I must be thankful for those things. And you know what? I am going to reciprocate and give of myself to those people and those things and so forth. Because in doing so, you're going to facilitate ascension of the same thing that has been good. Right? Some good things happen to you this year, man. And just even you just give thanks for it and you go in a detail and give thanks that this happened to me and da. It's a novelette there. When I tell you I'm business. But now let go through it, you know, go through it. When we say go through it, 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 go through it. And some good things happen for her this year. Right? So Navlet know what me at talk about. So Navlet have something and she say, boy, it's a wonderful opportunity. And thing and whatever, and you know, some life-changing positives, But Navlet can't go make say that good thing that happen and leave it there. So Navlet have to nurture that something there, Navlet have to discipline now. Navlet have to say, yes, me get that something here, and it's a good thing. So, for 2026, I make sure some turn up on time. I make sure so such and such, I have no reason for so and so. If such and such energy come at me not go follow it up, because the bigger picture is to continue the good thing with this opportunity and build upon it and whatever, right? I'm going to choose my battles carefully. I'm going to walk away when I should. I'm going to remind myself that discipline is doing what you're supposed to do even when you don't feel like doing it. That's what Mike Tyson says, and he's brilliant in his simplicity. Discipline is doing what you're supposed to do, even when you don't feel like do it. Right? If you feel like do it, one thing, that it's easier then, But the people, one of the key things where differentiate people who are really successful from those who aren't is that them hold it right through. Even when them not feel like do it or, that is discipline. Someone just I use my friend Navlet as an example. And sometimes it's a struggle, sometimes it's rough and thing, but that's part of the game. And if you prevail and keep going through the way there, So as I go over in the as I go over in the I'm 26, just keep that in mind. So some good things have been going on for all on. Just build upon them good things, pay attention to them, don't ignore them and just get complacent because they're there. If somebody has been there for you all a while and check in upon you, you rate them for that and think, check in upon them too. No for good people, good people, and very thankful and grateful for people who did their phone, but don't think say need to reciprocate the same or similar behavior to the people who behave certain way with you where you rate. And sometimes I don't mean nothing about it. I'm not just very thankful for them and thing, but you just never think say them need, because them always did a fear, you think say them no need. Remember when them say check in on your strong friend. Check in on your strong friend. And even when them people are probably not need it, and most people who stay so them not gonna say, they will remember that you thought about them randomly. You're good. I have a friend, Irie Dale. Him just periodically call, Raga, you good? Yeah, man. What go on? Nothing. We just a call for check in on you. You don't know Irie Dale from Bronx. People in New York know Irie Dale. And him will just do this thing I'm calling and just check in. Now, if you know him got you don't know why he's like that. Right? Because him death's door and come back and things like that. But them look at something, them man. Don't make you're able to go into details about why somebody is incredible and how that person has been incredible for you. And if somebody were to ask you, so what would that person say about you? Don't make you not have nothing to say. Don't make you able to go in great details why such and such is good to you and what them do for you and what them did for you and whatever. Then somebody say, okay, you think highly of that person because boom, 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 boom. Them think highly of you, and if them think highly of you, what is it about how you are related to them are gonna make them think highly of you? There are people who have talked to like that and them end up like, wait, what? They didn't even think about it. And they're not bad people or anything. Them just never think about it, you know? All I want to have something to be thankful for. All I want. I may have problems and challenges and stuff. When I go work on fine, but when I also have some things to be thankful for. All I know, many I know, did I do something good throughout 2025 where it would be to your benefit to continue doing that thing good and improve upon that. But identify it, pay attention to it, acknowledge it, and figure out ways in which you can build on it for 2026, okay? All right? Okay. I think you need to turn on age restriction. It's on. So we can't add you as a host unless you got age restriction on. I have it on. I am 100% sure I have it on, Jimmy. So I don't know how I go on this. So. I can look back on it too. Go in, yes, sir. Dum, 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 dum. Settings. Come over here, so. Okay. Now, man, Jimmy, when you start, them have this thing, them give the option for turn it on. And I did turn it on. I just religiously do it, you know. But me not say. I tell you, it's a TikTok, you know. Yeah, man, I want to connect with DJ Chris Cross and Jimmy them, you know. But no, man, I'm sure I'm put it on, man, so. Nikki Kennedy, what's up? Big up yourself, you know. All right, cool. So anybody else want to come up in the box until Cross and Jimmy, TikTok, I tell them, said them can't invite me for join because we need to put on age restriction. But I just automatically put on age restriction, you know, before I do my show because, you know, you know, so I'm outside, all right? I'm a chap up, no sat out and all them something there, whatever. Some of those automatically do it, so I'm just sure it's there, you know. Some of them know how I go on this, so see? Oh, yes, if you're not following me yet, follow me now. See more, where I say it's so cold in Florida. Raga, you send cold over here. Darling, dear, I will never send you cold. I would only send you warm all the time. I mean, say, warm me up, man. I want me to you, man. Why am I going to cool you? I'm not cool up something there with you. You know why you cool up? I threw Christina down there, Florida, whatever. She a cool up a place down. Raga end the live, double check and come back on. Nope. All right, mean, and I say a word, man. No, but if Floridians are not going like couldn't know what's Florida get, even South Florida get cold. You know, I'm them there when them get cold. That is nothing new. right? No, nothing new. That is nothing new.
Sir Raga, good evening. Good night.
Greeting. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, hear me. What you say about with your small son or your last son is like you're talking to me, so I say let me just join to say to you
Right.
that
Mm-hmm.
it's like not a big thing but a huge thing. You know, I went as far as university, and like you said, my father always say, him find the money. And today may I talk to somebody about the same thing, you know, a youth, you know. Because I have a sister who didn't get any fatherly love. She a outside kid. You know how the thing go with Jamaica.
Yeah.
And me alone she can't talk to.
Mm-hmm.
And it hurt me to this day that I graduated so much times and father never show up yet. And me tell myself, say, there is no institution where my one daughter will graduate from where me never go.
See it there. Good.
Raga at about, well, she's a pharmacist now, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I remember at one interval in a pharmacy school, it's like she just now get certain things. Remember me, engineering me studying, and when she come home, I may sit down and start ask her just some basics question. And I so she pick up and what she never did I see. And no teacher couldn't tell her, you know.
See it there.
And after that, she just lick it, you know, boom, 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 and go through it.
See it there.
You
were there. You were there.
Man.
Yeah,
It's
you were
so
present
important.
and did it. You know, you just never did it. What you did and present, you connect with what you go through and can did it in a beneficial way. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
and
man.
It wasn't about money.
No. And that man need to understand, Raga. Me see she had do maths and at about 16 she had do the ACT maths or something like that up here in the US. So they are Florida. And me just fly up. And me there at Jamaica. And me just sit down with her for 5 minutes. And she said, oh, so that's me never see. And it's a year she a wait pan for see that, you know. And once me come up here and show her 2 times, that's it, you know. That connection is so important.
Very, very.
Yeah, man. No money can buy that.
And it's the same thing with relationships. Right? And ladies, it's just as important for men, but as a man, I happen to think it's more important for women too, you know. Right? But ladies, it's just as important for men. But you know, you have the man that will mind woman and get everything, but them not there. Them not there. And sometimes the woman reach a point where she try if you communicate to them like, listen, man, I ask you come spend them whole heap of money and thing like that, you know, you're a good man, you take care of me and whatever, but sometimes I just want you around for just talk to you and reason with you and just chat foolishness and say, show you this. What you think about this? And you know what, you know, women love them something, you know. That is relationship building, you know, as we say, cliche, but it's true. The little things, you know, because you're there. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, and no, some man not really, sometimes them not really. Them think for me, I send out the money, man, you're obligated to me and that's it, you know.
Exactly.
You know.
But Raga, may I watch a thing from Jamaica, friend? Them a fight here at Jamaica till now.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
And watch the growth and study your thing too. So I kind of see you as one of the role model them. Both educational wise and how you just raw chalk. That's what I behave to. Although me is a cancer man, you know?
See.
Yeah, man.
See.
It's a blessing speaking.
Give thanks, man. Blessings,
yeah,
man. Most want to say all the best for you and your loved ones and things and your daughter and all of your loved ones and things. See?
Yeah,
right,
man.
see me. All right, my general.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Yeah, man. Protection, man. Cool.
All right, sir.
Well, thanks to Olympic way. Yeah, me used to live on Olympic way, you know. In a mother yard, you know. But what is bigger than enough, you know. Think Jimmy and them at crisscross I try link me, you know. I don't know anything. Act up. And yeah, with some people in the box, man, I try bringing up, but when I touch on it name there, it's like, I don't know if I'm not dead anymore or what, but thing I go off, you know? Now bringing up.
The year, you know
Oh.
what I mean? Oh, it's Reggae, yeah, me tell you about technology and old people, you know, man. You know?
What you mean about technology and old people? And now you text me and tell me so you can't come over and thing or whatever. I'm going there.
I mean, do the invite, man, and him have the bug.
No, none of that. So, you fix it?
But you see it, are you do it, Cross, are you do it and it come over, don't?
Yeah, because our technology good.
Crass, what I know?
Yes, you know, but him have the Cross, you have to go lower yourself or bring up your camera, yeah?
What do you mean lower myself or bring up a camera?
Cut off, brother.
Your head cut off, right? Yeah.
Oh, for real?
You see me answer?
Yeah, your head cut off.
Yeah. What?
Yeah. Some more, yeah.
So we can't divide up this properly. Why me up? I really like all this. Or you,
What?
don't start that. You know, say a new year, you can start with the arms also.
Me? But I didn't still do anything or whatever.
Turn me roll.
Eh? Check.
Get rid of the crosses.
Check. You turn your roll.
We can't hear you, man. We can't hear you, know.
Well on. A 3 times if you do it, you know, man. You.
Boy, I mean, I want the headphone wires hang me, you know, so.
No, so you take off your headphone and turn. No, if you turn your roll one time, you know, you wrap on more of the crosses, you know. But advise, yeah, give them 2 more, Jimmy. 2 more. Yeah. One more. A 3 if you do. 1 more, Jimmy, do it, man. Trust me, man. A 3 if you do 1 more. What? Jimmy, do it now, man. All right. Do it. I want to tell you, man. Do it. Okay, all right, cool. Because I don't want you left no crosses in our broadcast either.
Yo, you know the funniest thing? You may turn the roll pan, you know. Yeah, encourage it, you know.
Well, I only sound so low.
Oh.
Jimmy sound low.
Jimmy, you sound low, man.
Because me turn it down because you know sound extra low. All right, how me sound now?
What?
How me sound now? Good?
Well, you sound a little better. Remember, you're working with DJ Chris Cross and Raga. We have, superior equipment, you know?
Listen,
so.
Listen, see?
What?
I turned down my music on my microphone because cross signal that come through low up on my
Check out early beating.
The year not started, you know, Jesus. Invite them 2 people over.
The year starts somewhere else, but it not start yet or whatever. Yes, sir. We are East Coasters, all right? So hold on, we're going to get local music in the night, eh?
Across time, you know, I'm going to bring it up to the midnight and something.
All right, then. But people, so me look a brother them there, you know, me 2 look a brother them there and thing like that and whatever. And I 2 youth are 2 positive youth, them, you know, I'm proud of them. Me can't even tell them most of the things that I'm proud of them for. But those just say them centered, them focused, them still grounded, still humble and thing and whatever, and just respectful of others and thing like that. And them, again, you know, hear me say this all the way, but them I come from nothing. 2 of them I come from nothing. When I say nothing. Right? So them go through it in them own respect and them stay positive and them always have a vibes and, you know, and thing. And them respect me. They respect the whole man, you know. I respect the whole man, Raga. You know what I'm saying? I'm a general, them and thing and whatever, and sitting. And I'm very talented. Very, very talented. And they're multi-talented, actually.
Yeah.
So I'm quite proud of them and thing like that and thing and whatever. The one in the green is Jimmy. He make a bad move and hold on. I think an ANC person did that come up, you know.
Hold on there. Big up Papa Scully in the building. Bag Joes, big up to you. You know what I mean? Season's greetings, family. We see you. Respect, you know.
Tal, shall I say, is Jimmy single? Jesus.
The year didn't start it, you know.
Jimmy, you can answer the question. Let me shall I say a question.
No, I'm a multiple.
Yeah. No, you know what? Hold on. That is the type of answer like a Jamaican woman would give, you know. But hear what is brilliant about that question, you know. Yeah. Somebody say, "Are you single?" Yeah. And you say, "No, I'm multiple," you know. You know, so that can go anywhere. You know, yeah, say, "No, I'm not single." Can me tell you something? I'm never single. Me tell you something, I'm multiple. But that can mean I'm multiple with somebody else or I'm multiple in, you know, there's a multiplicity of options.
But put it like this, I'm off the shelf.
Yeah.
Stuck. You know,
okay.
Raga just half a dissect.
What you say, what?
These colors, man.
Yeah.
All right. Wait. Is that like an indirect way of telling me to shut up?
No.
Oh, I was just one. Me no know because one thing with me, you know, once you give me the hint, you know, me not have no problem I follow it, you know, me not have no problem I follow it.
Raga, you know too much of my business. I would never disrespect you, sir.
And you know your business would not, well, out of all of your business, you ever hear it back anyway where you know say me alone you tell?
You're good, man.
And the same thing with you. You understand? Yeah.
Manners and flowers, man, honors. You know, so before your father, I seen so before Chris Cross started juggling me there, I beg him up and I tell people about the whole history. Cause a lot of people listen to it and I know how it going and I tell them, say, yo, before that you and me and Chop Suey did that, I know meet Chris Cross and a tree in a humanity to play music. And him say them two youth can play a song, so me and Chop Suey if come play an hour up on the show and thing, you know? And and from him give we an hour up on the show, we'll go over and we'll listen it back when it recorded and everybody say, yeah, you blah 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 and by a morning. You know, Chris Cross work it out with Miss Cheeseman and we get a show and here we are right now, you know. We get our own show and
that was what year?
2009 when we start radio. 2009.
Cross, when you did start radio with me?
About 2008.
Oh.
New start is.
Okay. Yo, sidebar. Women are weird. You know, we men, when it comes to the physical, we keep it, you know, face, breast, legs, bottom. The woman who asked boy Jimmy, she's like, Jimmy, I love the color of your skin and those lips. Dang. She like the color of your skin.
Please don't objectify me. I'm a person.
yeah. Do the same thing when them do. Right. Do not objectify me, okay? You're a human, okay? All right.
My eyes are up here. My eyes are up here.
Yeah, your eyes are up here, son. Don't try to sexualize the youth like that, you know. What happened to you?
Nothing some dinner first? Come on, man.
Yeah, you know, yeah, and that them go on with run it. Yeah. Careful though, boy. Had somebody earlier do she said, boy, she no want the little sassy man them because one man tell her say if him a date, woman for buy him chocolate and thing and whatever, she bone him out. Yeah. So me I say, what wrong with that? Buy chocolate, give the man them man, but you know why?
Raga, but women have weaponized that word though. You know the 3 words them. You know the 3 words them woman weaponize, right?
What? Which 3?
Sassy.
Yeah.
What the next one? The M word and the N word.
Yeah, for help me out.
No, none of them. The M and the N word.
Careful when they say N word, but
yeah, narcissist.
Yeah.
And misogynistic.
And misogynistic. Okay, yeah.
They be throwing around these words, man. They ain't know the meaning.
I know.
They don't know.
I know.
They don't know. Everybody's sassy, Because if you respond to a woman in any kind, you're sassy. So basically, you must tap in eyes.
You know, for answer them, you just take
No
what
say
them
nothing.
say down.
Not say nothing. But if you answer, you're narcissistic. Right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And if you make an issue out of it, you're misogynistic. You're not like woman. See? Full circle.
Well,
Me I listen to you.
me are the old man, you know, so me I listen, you know, so me I feel only up on the front line and these things. I just observe and I'm entertained, you know. I am not in the fray, you know.
Not in the fray either.
I'm not in the fray, you know.
I'll take the front line for a
the front of the store.
Yeah, you know, me keep back. They come to me for advice, you know. I'm not an active participant.
This is observable reality, man.
No, let me tell you something. Me that said earlier, nowadays, the man them basically them want to stay the same as in old school. Like woman, you have some man, like woman for do this kind of wash, cook and clean thing for them. And because nowadays woman them not pre that something there, the man them not adapt. Right? So them not develop. You know, a lot of men not develop themselves and them just, you know, them want to stick to this old school traditional what them say is a Jamaican thing and me a Jamaican and whatever, boom, boom, boom. Them won't even buy a little flowers and thing, you know what I say? Or even if they go buy the flowers and think they forget front same time because they buy the flowers.
Yeah, you know,
right?
Stick up.
Right? Well, I say the man them not adjust. But then the woman them over that side too now, enough of them not adjust either. Because you have these women now who they're such feminists, right? And they have modernized and whatever, but them still want the traditional man.
Right.
So feminists now, the feminists them not do certain things and them now do certain things and use but them want the man them to be the traditional man, but them not be the traditional woman, you know.
Right.
Me not have no problem if you not be the traditional woman. Fine. But don't complain now when, you know, when your version of traditional woman is supposed to be able to wile up man and give man attitude and all them something and whatever this. Yo, last thing I say.
No man, talk man.
I have quite a few money man friend. Right? When me tell you, rich man. I find it interesting, you know, that the thing where pretty much all of them are say right, you know, and them are say right, listen, no. If me can get a woman who me can be at peace round right and I'm good.
Yeah.
If me can get a woman who not feel like she have to compete with me, I'm good. And that the man them say, you know. And these are the high value man them where the woman them say them want, you know. You understand? But then when them go around them are go around them with them body attitude and body BADDIE and this and that and whatever and way. I said, I tell them, man, no, when if you look good and beard and smell good and can boom it off, yeah. But what is all of that if when we're done, we just want to fling you out of the house because we don't even want to chat to you to right, you know, whatever, because we can't take your personality. You know, so you reach a point where you're like, don't even bother do it, you know. Don't even bother do nothing with her because you don't even want to deal with her personality. You see what I'm saying?
You have different type of woman. You have the woman that where when you're done, you want to chill with and it just, the what you call the afterplay is amazing.
Yeah.
And then you have some boy, after you're done, you don't want to vanish.
I'm if you tell you, man, though, I'm just like hypothetically.
Like abracadabra. Like clip off a finger. Bush.
But Crass, you not give it to music for going on New Year. Give it.
Yeah, but that's nothing wrong with it.
All right, give it. Let me see what kind of music you're going to play a lead up to 26, right? And what me can remember. So you draw them tune you lead up to 26. Let me see, I know. All right, hold on. Before we do that, remember, say all I'm show them, we rinse them back, we play them over. Hold on, listen now. All my shows, we play them over YouTube at TamFam TV. But when the music I play, you're not going to hear the music. But I'm going to put them on a site named TamFam TV over TamFam World. People are going to get confused. Don't worry, they soon get used to it. So they can watch and repeat them with all of the music them over TamFam world. What we telling about? But right now, if you're up on YouTube and watch this, you're not gonna hear the music across a play because YouTube don't allow music. Okay. Cross, rings, make we hear where you're going.
For the middle light girls.
Wanna get me?
Let me be the first to tell you, Happy New Year, Raga, Happy New Year, Chris Cross.
See him to the eye, them man. Big up for the 26, you know. Bless upon yourself for the 2026. Big up all TamFamers. All TamFamers large upon yourself, you know. Yeah, from long time for foundation TamFamers and TamFamers will join what they and thing and whatever. Big up everybody who support Ragashanti, who support DJ Chris Cross, who support Jimmy Q and thing. Big up on yourself, man. Blessings and respect and thing. And big up all of the women them who are gonna make it, you know, life better and thing and stop walk around with the chamba foot back and round and having a 2025, a different thing right you know. Yeah. No for no what the money, but no for no the money, but no the petty, for stop it, man. Yeah. No for no do the money, but no do the pet. And me on a panty jar full up and overflow till it hard for close on if I push down the panty them and all them something there and whatever. We just are wishing a prosperity. May get a good financial advisor for go on the right advice for invest on the money and thing and grow and build and sitting right, and may you continue to water the good things them are going in our lives so them things they grow at the expense of those that are not so pleasant and unwelcome. Gentlemen.
Amen, brother.
Yes,
what is something you
don't
want to see from these females for the new year? Ladies.
Yeah, you go first.
Ladies, the birthday photo shoot there with the cake in our bed, stop it. Full time for stop it.
What I want to go what?
It don't look good.
What?
The birthday shoot there with the cake in the bed, stop it. A full time for we need to leave that in 2025, all right?
All right. Jimmy, why you want to see the woman?
I address the woman them right. So I address the man them. Man them wanna take care of themselves. Zine. The woman them go out pan dates with them friends, them go do them nails, them go eat food. The man them ever go bar and party. If you that area, please, do some uplifting things. You know what I mean? Hang out with yourself, take care of yourself. That might.
All right. Well, two things. We talk to a man them first, and I don't want nobody come style me because I get enough stylings throughout my life already. But I just say something, I echo what the woman them I say, you know? Right? So the first thing I to the man them and thing. The man them on for cut out that thing they were on one woman forget freaky we don't know and go in the head as on the body sour. Right? The ladies them say them have a problem with sour body man who want headers on the body don't smell good. I wanna not take care of the ear on the body and look at ear and whatever and all them something there. The ladies them don't like it and for cut it out. And if I cut it out, when a sour body man out there will not turn off the woman them from the head and I make it bad for some way. And to the ladies them, you know what I want to stop though? You see that one pose picture thing they want to do, cut it out.
The one that look like the horse?
No man, them take picture and one pose them have all the time. Now they see them pose in all of them picture and cut it out, it don't look good.
Yeah, and the girl them
man, mix up on the pose them man, but you take it on a good side and that, but take it on a good side like a one side on have. You understand?
Right.
Yeah, and when you say crash.
And to add, ladies, if you look good, you can take a full body picture. The passport size picture they was somehow have it now work for 2026.
No, I disagree with you, this Crash. That's a deep thing, this one. No, Crash, no, I not agree with you with that one.
Why? Are embassy around?
No. Some women they want deep thing for them, you know, through no fault of theirs, the way some people can be cruel and mean out there. And them know if them take, what people are going to do.
And I can also say this.
Yeah.
You have to dress for your body type. Man do it too. Some man come out with the big old gut them and I know the little muscle shirt them. It don't
true. It don't look good. It don't look good. It don't look good.
It don't look big women who are fabulous, all right?
Yes.
Because they know to dress.
Yes.
All right, and a cold time, no, fluffies are needed.
Yes.
We can't just expire fluffy.
And we not typecast woman and put her in a one category and them thing there, but it's one thing, you know, I go beat me because me can't cook. Me understand that, right? But on a can of hype and the only thing on a can cook a stew chicken, right? And if somebody say on for cook like a cow foot or whatever, on can't even manage that and all them something. They say if you not go call on yourself big cook, learn for cook cow foot and cow skin and all them something there whatever. Somehow on the move. I'm just saying.
And tell them don't put tin mackerel and cooking in the same sentence. I had to up. You ready? You ready?
I'm not fight against certain people, but on a man who love roll up to man and ask things for a birthday and stop it.
Happy New Year, bro.
Yeah. Man who asks man, yo, I'm a strong, you know. What you say what you can do for me? I can't do nothing for you. Yeah, man, leave me alone.
Left that not 2025.
Right, yeah, leave that. The man fi stop ask man for birthday present. No go man. A woman fi get birthday present. You understand? Well, that's how me feel. I understand somehow not come like obligated about it and whatever. Like you know I make me stop and
And don't use the term I suck off a thing off of you.
yeah, that turn there. No, you know, so them stop it. No, it's stopping up. When last year a man said that?
Them not say it again, Raga.
No, them not say it again.
No, me have to be careful in the Raga because some saying stay in one generation. Like the big man, like the OG them love talk about me touch you later. When them a come, when them a go.
Yeah, that not sound too right. Yeah. Man, I touch you look more and I yeah. No, yeah, them feel like that.
You say some generation retain the argument that all right, like big man, and we know this Jimmy from when we used to roll with Calvin. Them hardly used to say come, them say discharge.
Yeah, man.
Don't me not discharge, man. Discharge. I'm go over there. I'm a discharge. Me not leave. Them love you some.
You know what's that true? No. You know which one to? No. You know which one to? Them used to.
What?
Broke.
Yeah.
But Brook after that Raga, after Calvin them
discharge
right
extreme.
No, discharge. Yeah, true. Them used to say come, you discharge
and
now. Yeah.
Say give me an F. Then we say give me a sex.
What?
The OG them, they know we say, you know, give me an F, then we say, you can't give me a sex.
So what wrong with if them say sex? Like,
see why me not tell them, I know him age that come out, you know, see that?
No, me not talk, so, but me not see nothing wrong with it, you know, go man. So hold on. So you know, so we used to call it hook.
Hook. Like hook.
Well, there was just a moment, right? You never know. So hook used to be like, yeah, like if you do it, you hook. You never know. You don't know that from my generation. Yeah.
Hook was before Dugu.
Yeah, hook was before Dugu. Yeah, hook was before Dugu. Yeah, you can say them a hook. Yeah.
Hook beat.
What you tell about that is new. Make Sinavlet say yes. Sinavlet, I mean, I'm my age group. We used to say hook, yeah.
You know,
hook.
Recycle it.
Yeah, and then hook come on for be. Hook at the action, you know, but then hook come on for be the titles, you know.
Happy New Year, Rosie.
Hook.
When me go I'm here, so when my cousin go back up when I went auntie I do the things with her man, and my cousin go back to we grandmother go tell grandmother say you see the man around there fight her.
Yeah. Good time. Yo, big up my friend Pampute. Pampute say, yo, Raga, me love F and fight. Me love fight and F. Right? Pampute.
Raga, why we grew up when we watch TV, we are about make love and when two strangers meet now and bar and have one night stand, they said, yes, but we made love, it was a mistake.
A foolishness then.
Jamaican man, all of the word them we have for any intimacy is very dangerous words.
No, man, I make that point there all the way.
Ram, stab,
yeah.
damage,
chop. Yeah, I said me knife it up last night, you know, man. Yeah. I mean, I tell you, I said, then I know I said, I go around here and dig out the belly.
So, no look at love making no make back in our appearance same time.
No, but the woman them do it too, you know. Why you think Jamaican woman them, but oh, me a real cocky take a reg. And them sit there, them do it. Yeah, you know, your woman them say, oh, my boom off that. You know, it's not
Yeah,
as
it's
violent,
almost
not as violent, but as the men.
So it's still kind of.
Eh?
Yeah, but then tell you so them have a bruise up and chip off and broke off. No, something. Them something they never done me on, man.
Everybody
Broke
will have
off.
to leave before we leave. Happy New Year and see y'all on next stream. I respect. Thank you guys. Trisipo, big up.
Well, on, look at Del Marine post. She said, or Soko, and then she put constitutional because you know, say I just fear place that come from, you know.
Yeah, that look like it very
No, but hold on. What I go on there, sir? How you pronounce that, Jimmy?
What that make you see your screen? Hold on, make go.
Del Marine, no. Oh, you can't see my screen. Oh, Del Marine, man. She said, Suk. Me no know, S-U-K-U. Pronounce that.
That sound like a suck.
Ah, chill. So you see where them did I go on with a constitution hill, though?
What constitution hill there? West our town?
It their town, man. Cross, when you there, you see, if you go down a Irving Gate and I look across the hill, over there's a constitution hill there. Top side, Ellis Flats.
Oh, that's why I'm going to say, me think say Ellis Flat and, well, Ken Tire, did they sort of?
No, man, can't tire the up run poppy inside.
But one other place there, man, where you cross the bridge. But then call
Yeah.
this again.
Tavern.
Tavern.
Yeah.
A tavern. You sure say a tavern?
Yeah, well, you have one place down there. You have one different place down there. But you have to go down in the valley. But
Yeah,
Constitution Hill up, top, whatever, up there, so they ag them there. That's why them have them ag riding championship every year. You know that. You know that, right?
No, sir. I did not know that.
You say up, she said Dallas. You have Dallas up them side there, you know. You have up one place near Maryland up there too, you know, where Hot and Spicy live, you know.
Yeah.
Dallas and Maryland and them place there up there, so, you know. And them ride Agnov up there. When them have the ag riding championship, you know, say Del Marine win the race couple times, whatever. Win the championship. What that?
Del Marine ride hog back in ideas?
Yeah, it's a thing. Them did have another community. It was like a look at community thing, and Del Marine did win the championship 2 years straight. But our cousin recently wrote to Sasha, our cousin recently wrote to the people and the organizers, and them I say back in the day, Del Marine father, a man with them they call Jacket. Said Del Marine father did corrupt the thing, because I really Sasha did win, but through Del Marine father, him always wear jacket and thing and whatever, and him have English accent and them they frighten the theme. And him corrupt it and give to Del Marine theme daughter. When a Sasha did, a Del Marine cousin used to win, you know. I remember, you know, one a Del Marine cousin, you know, come out one day, you know, when Del Marine come up on Facebook and I show food, we say she cooking food. The cousin come out and the cousin say, it's not Del Marine cook it, as she. So Del Marine a beat her cousin, them and I take with them title for a long time, you know. So Del Marine used to ride the ag them good, but apparently she wasn't the bona fide ag riding winner over Constitution Hill. And over there, them bust the thing, named Soko.
When porky meets pork.
No, but you see, but basically what them I say, the sucking thing is like nothing known. But back then in a Constitution Hill, it looked like it did normalize this or before it normalized at Jamaica. So them are the pioneer. Them are the pioneer over there.
One big woman never said name hella bottom hella top.
Nah, man.
Oh, that's 69.
Nah, man. 69 at top and bottom. Top and bottom, Nancy Nega.
You play bingo?
Yeah.
You play bingo, you know it.
Yeah, man. Top and bottom, Nancy Nega. Yeah. That probably bust over Constitution Hill too. You never know.
Top and bottom,
Nancy Nega, 69 when you play bingo. You know.
Again, Happy New Year to everybody who just joined the live. Well, end soon, but you know, with the whole reason and thing. I see you all stepping in, right? Happy New Year.
All right, well, I don't know. So, well, we're going to ask the chat them, the respective chat them now. Want to tell me what you want to say, man stop or woman stop for the new year, right?
Yeah, true.
So the chat want to tell me what you want to say, man for stop do or woman for stop do. Let me see. Let me see what you want for the new year. What you want to say, man for stop do or woman for stop do. Let me see what I go on this.
This is
And if you're over YouTube, do remember you never hear the music, but you hear the part, you know, come cut out the music, which would I've done in a editing, you know. Dita, man, for top tell them like Dita that coming like none and that nah stop. We need something. Yeah,
That balance out.
Yeah, that's a regular thing. You know, get man for stop tell lie. And all what go on Dita, man can't tell lie like woman.
And that need that raga. Some of these women need lies to survive. If
you
not tell them lie, they not come out of the house.
All right, Naki B say woman for stop act like swiping is freaky. Me agree with that. That coming like no. Then Marine say man for stop wear tight jeans will look like leggings. My second one there too.
Yeah, man. 100%.
Sexy me if a man need for stop beg woman money. So what that mean? Woman fi continue beg man money?
That one way bad.
If you have beg money, me I beg money too. I beg you before you beg me.
Yeah, Bernardine, man fi stop act like them know woman more than how woman know themselves. Yeah. Cupcake, some man fi stop cuss like girl. Well, I'm pretty queen said, man, fi stop love them brethren and start love the woman them more. Me second
Yeah, that right.
Yeah, when the man them going to dance, and now dance, the woman them again and turn up over there look like her.
And the woman them fi stop rifle walk. Me tired that now, man. Stop rifle walk, brother.
The woman them fi stop rifle walk.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you know, I know look sexy nothing again, Raga. One time woman did come find you and back it up on you. You remember one time when woman used to whine on your front way?
I mean, man.
They not talk about that all the while, man. You know what change that? A belly rubber house, Ragabenz and ladies start change that. From that song they sing, it stop.
Brother,
never again.
And a thief out go dance, a beer, front to front.
Yeah. When we grew up, the only time a woman dance backward and I want to stand up in front of a man and just a rock.
Right. So look at souls up.
And even when she ready for dance, she turn around and dance with him.
Man, bring
but she, you don't, in them days, you never have a man and a woman a dance, like a full dance out and our back just turn to him the whole time.
I'm the OG them and you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm going to see do it with the wifey when them might come out of one black and white party or something. I don't see them thing there again.
Be a back it
and
up. And
them a man and even get the normal back up like where ladies and Sprague do. Right now I just two dagger and go on about business. I go up on the sound box and jump off on you. And then I roll over a couple times. Yeah. You must say. Make it a dance.
No, yo, Cross, sometimes I watch your generation a dance and I watch a me tired.
Yeah, and the man them over there saw the routine, you man over there saw the routine. No one can dance together.
No, it get better now because one time gone, me don't know what it happened. No man, when elephant man they over the wall and ski slope and give them a run and what you're tired when you don't have sweat up and smelly, you know.
Them time they did still balance Raga because they have
and it did nice too, you know, Pan the River big stone and whatever, so it did nice,
yeah,
you know.
But them time they did nice. They might bring the party together.
Yeah.
I'm saying right now, me I hear more bad man song and then they might have a one song with a little direction. But the direction they might even like to make you like work out. It's like some little hand move or maybe one foot move. Remember, so when TikTok starting a Raga, some little hand routine like this and whatever, and the girl them feel cute and just and they done, you know. That's it, you know.
And they had that. They bust TikTok with challenge.
Yes.
Yeah,
right. Them little hand routine. When me I go high school, I met Jimmy tell you this. We are the same generation. We used to have class party. An elephant, they are running place on them sitting there. When you come out of class party, your khaki are sweat. You are sweat. And them did have disco room. Pan barbecue there and sports there and then you have disco room. You go in a disco room. You have disco room, hombre.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to disco room to go Tifa. You know, remember days when you used to run and take a little wine off of one girl and by the time you turn around, you're gone. Take away yourself. A wine by and a drive by. Wine by.
Boom. In my time, we never really do that. Yeah. You see that something. That when man sneak up on woman and dance and for catch her half guard and start dance with her. What them do? That never happened with me in my time.
So how want to get a
time,
dance. You have to go up and
Remember,
ask
say
for
Dagger
them.
when
No,
I
you go up, you
four
go up,
times.
and you go up and you ask you dance. And, oh, you ask you dance. And, oh, you mean? Yeah. Yeah. But no, but you can't do it. You can't do it. No, you'd have a tug way if you do it still, you know.
Excuse me, I hear a shabarangs that I like. Would you like to have this dance?
No, it wasn't like that. It wasn't like that. It wasn't like that.
X-rated. Let me have this dance.
No, it wasn't like that.
I back where my man here.
Yeah.
Yeah. The front way.
No, but even when man ask to dance and then me get it and me not get it,
So,
it was
Raga,
always
give us an
was
example.
it was always front way. It was
Give us
always
an
front.
example of how you do this approach.
No, you not go up to and you know I say, yo, baby love and that. You know, so that one here for me and you. Yeah. But you know why that funny too, no?
Yeah.
Well, on, you know why that funny too, no? All right, listen how this get interesting.
Yeah.
Somebody welcome in.
Uno did go up to woman, strange woman and ask to dance.
No, you go up and then when she turn around and see if you're cute, she gonna continue. If you're ugly.
No, when you go up and you what wanna do? No, just go back hard, don't. I saw wanna do, don't.
What?
Wanna just go back hard and then she turn around and look for you if she want to do it, she continue.
Yes, so you have to put on the charm them time they say, all right, let me fix up. All right, I'm not angry. Yeah.
No, me not sneak up and back and no woman. Hey, one time, you know, when them time the asylum did I run, you know, you have some man, you know, people, the ladies them can't tell you this, cause sometimes the woman spot them out first, you know, can't think. But you have somebody in the middle, the sheriff girl, and what see them here, and I edge, you know, I see she turn on and look at him go so and go and like say him no want go. And then she turn on and dance him and edge up again, edge up again. Who the fuck wanna do with stuff like that? You have to screech up a woman.
Well, we are talking about two different timelines in your life. We are talking about high school as a younger. You are talking about a big man. A big man no expect to do that.
Nah, but when I say when we are youth, you still ask the woman for the dance.
You as a little boy, ask a little girl for your dance.
No, but as a young youth in a high school and whatever.
Nah, so.
You ask the girl for dance in a high school.
Yes. What you must say, all right. The people who are my age group, tell them saying at our time man no sneak up back a girl and a wine pan her and see Delmarine they ask them.
But Raga, you know, no, me not like how you say it that way there. You look like you're just going 100. You're not going 100. You finesse yourself. You get in line. I make sure you know say, all right, there's a warm body behind her. And then when she look now, she will meet to the other half. You're not just going and start dagger. And that's how you go.
No, but hold on. But the point is, at no point you did the gentleman thing or whatever and ask.
That's your time. You know, our time.
No, but hold on. But you see what you guys are describing? That is a precursor to that is a precursor to taking something that don't belong to you.
No, all right. I'm gonna show you this.
Those are the preliminary stages of collective essaying. We should have shame on ourselves. Go man.
This is him dead now, Q. Him dead now.
No, Sinavlet say yes, that never happened. Back then, man still reach out to ask for a dance. Thank you. Say Altia DL say true that Raga. We were more civilized than you guys are.
All right. I know that, you know. Sometimes is a disparity between town and country to because earlier.
Don't even try that. Every minute you come with that. Don't even come with that.
Earlier you
not because una wine pan banana tree and a wine pan when name the tree a country and a catch on a kicks off a thing like that. You come put it pan town people. This not have nothing to do with town. Stay in the generational thing. Don't even try that about town and country.
Because earlier when you do your example you talk about you give flowers. And me and Jimmy already, we back down the argument there already, so when countryman no give flowers. You understand? So we have different ways of doing certain things depending on where you grew up.
Oh my God. Yeah, no, I'm understanding, but just look where we're at right now. You say we lose because you give woman flowers.
We not give woman flowers a country, Raga.
No, but what I'm saying to you, you switch the thing now and make it a country town thing. If you want to discuss country town. But I know that we did that talk about.
Yes, but may I say, Me I talk within the context of maybe because me and Jimmy agree, so we used to do that. Maybe a generational thing, but it's also
No, but when
Deep,
una
but
talk about that the same thing them do a town. Una not have no exclusive wait name the pan walking up behind woman and a wine pan them before. First of all, town people know for dance before una know for dance.
Oh, you mean? What Jesus? Oh no, he didn't. Oh no, he did not.
No. But you try to flip the thing right and
No,
whatever.
he did-
Like
no,
say,
you
like
did
say,
not.
no, it must be a country town thing because
Oh,
that's
no,
why me
you
and
did
Jimmy agree with it and thing like that and whatever.
But Jimmy,
Like,
Jimmy, the
listen.
unmitigated God.
listen.
When I
Most
be
of the
killing
dance
people at
them,
home,
when
killing
dancing
no one
take
of them.
off, when dancing take off, everybody knows a Montego Bay, enough dance bus a Montego Bay, and enough dance bus a Kingston, and then on a follow back away.
But Raga, first of all, they don't consider Montego Bay as no town, a country. Anything after Kingston, that country.
No, we
Yeah,
can't.
facts.
No, Montego Bay is a city. That you see,
They
you see,
can't
like
city them,
you so
but
you
they
go
don't
on like
call
you
it
want
town.
come this bay.
They
You
don't
want come
call
this
it
bay.
town. They
Yeah.
don't call it town. Raga.
What?
They
Call
don't
what
call
town?
it town. Nobody don't say we are got town and go mobile. They not say it.
So who said that? Who said that?
Much parish we have.
No, but who said that a while ago? You keep
They
on to
might
bring up
say
new
that.
shit. What you mean? What you mean?
I'm just saying, bro. Yeah, are you talk about country and town and about town people know if you dance better than country people? Yeah, mad, man.
Then we go to the dance, them man. You go and like say, but you go and you want to flip it after we attack. Say, when walk up back a woman,
met them,
when
know them.
sneak up back a woman, forget dance and whatever. We were more civilized.
Yeah, the members on the kind of uptownish thing, you know. Even the ghetto people, them did more.
Watch out, you see him and flip it again, but uptownish thing and
I
what.
try to tell us that there was different ways of doing things down our country. You know this. We've had this debate several times.
Well, if you want to start a new debate, then fine, but don't make it look like this way you start now. It's part of what we did talk about before.
In a new year, I argue.
Eh?
Yeah,
When a new year, we
we
have
always do.
argument. We can have a civilized discourse.
But I think I said him civilized and we not civilized. You gonna take that from him?
Jesus Christ, you the man now.
Yeah, where him gone. Yeah, where him gone.
No, man,
Yeah.
Raga said that, Jimmy Q. You
Yeah,
cannot allow
yeah.
this to go on.
Yeah, because you are say I lose. The two I wanna laugh me to scan a while ago when me say, yeah, we used to ask for dance. We nearly did a while ago when me say
No,
that.
son of a, we done here now, man. We done here
Eh,
now.
eh.
We done music here now.
Raga, a man where wear lens pants and dressing shoes, do them something there with mesh marina.
But that we used to wear. We used to buy lens. Yard and third or yard and half. And we're gonna make our pants with tunnel loop. And we make sure them time the gabardine did still a wear. If your money can't stretch, you buy gabardine. But then if your money can't stretch, you buy them the cloth them from England, Turleen and wool and them something there. Yeah. What you mean about Carl Canai? What about Carl Canai?
Canai we used to wear.
Me now cut across. Me I go left for now 12:30.
Yeah, man, you're good.
I go turn off my TV and shut down me something them and race car. You know what I mean? So, yeah. But
We don't want to hear nothing about you shut down your something, you know. That's not our business.
our new year in Araga, you know, turn a new page.
We nah.
You know, turn a new page.
Yeah. Well, and see the lady there who wait name there, she said it's too soon. She not ready for you leave here. Try know that here. Tal. TASPAL. See it there? She said it's too early. She said she still want to look by your skin and your lips because that do it for her right now for 26. Yeah.
To be fair to Jimmy, him there longer than the whole of him there must be about 4 or 5 hours.
From 7 o'clock, my day, man.
Yeah.
He mash up you know.
No, Jimmy not there longer than me.
Me good. Me just a seminar on my bed.
Jimmy not there longer than me.
No man, you start stream before you.
No man, I'm older than Jimmy, man.
God, you see who change the goalpost now? You see me at that one? Me at that body man.
No, me know me there longer. I'm not answer if me longer. Because I'm not busy with that. Okay, yeah. Fire for that. All right.
Yeah, 12:30. Yeah, man. Raga, you know what I mean? Chris Cross, big up on yourself. I love and respect to everybody who hear my voice. Happy New Year. And, you know what I mean? Soon up on the next stream.
All right, respect my general. Oh, and by the way, we need to do more of this, you know, this music collaboration thing, you know.
And
We
let
are
them
in 3
post.
different states, and look at that technology afford us this type of thing. We can have a party, and do remember when we name the bus, you know, when Big Yard bus, we're gonna have a party over there. Yeah.
Happy New Year, enough. Let everybody
Yeah.
Happy New Year. Yeah, man.
Oh, Munch, what Munch there?
Top boss, Happy New Year, bro.
What Munch there? Oh, she over your page.
What you mean?
That's the
On
only
the
thing,
NC.
Raga. I wish we did them have a way to integrate the comments.
Now worry yourself. Me figure that out. Alright, put it this way. When me a set up over Big Yard, that I got
Mad.
Again, we have to do that something again. The ladies, them like the tree way. So we can do it.
no, you know, say you correct yourself because you nearly take the L, but you still get that second L, you know?
But me still wouldn't wrong.
No, say trio.
The ladies, them like
No,
the
say
tree way.
trio, say
The ladies, them
trio.
like the tree some.
No,
The
say
ladies, them like
trio,
the
say
tree way.
trio, yeah? At least you let go the tree some, but you got three way, you know, but, right? Say trio. Say, hold on, the prefix tri is tree, so trio, the triad,
All right, finish
the
what you have to say,
triumvirate.
something afterwards.
Eh?
What did I say wrong? I said the ladies, them like the tree some.
No,
So-
talk to Crass. Who did I laugh off? You talk to your friend, not me.
But are you alone to talk? No. So me I ask you. If me say the
I am
ladies,
a
them like the
talker.
tree some.
Right? Right?
Earns from his oral skills, my brother.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Whoa.
You know, say I 12, you know, say
Now
I
your
talk
mouth
and
you
I
been
talk.
earn
You do
money
this all
from
the
for
time,
decades,
you know.
no Raga.
I do this all the time.
Eh?
Every
Now
time
your
say
mouth
me
you
I
earn
cut-
money from. Eh? You're a broadcaster, professional, and you're a lecturer. Now your mouth make your day where you're there.
No, it's my mind.
Right, and it translates to your mouth. Eh?
No. We're not going there. We're not.
Some of us work with our hands, you work with your mouth.
No. Raga with the innocent mouth, right? Raga with the innocent mouth. Know that, yeah?
You work with hands, Bolt work with your foot, you work with your mouth.
Right. You see how Jimmy see him quiet there. Remember, you know, when the woman come here since night, you know, remember what she said she love him, Jimmy Mount, you know. So you know, say that is just a sign of what him strength is. So all these years when the woman them a draft him, them a draft him out. So you know, say Jimmy has had an active mouth over the years, and it has gotten him places.
Great success,
It has gotten him places.
But your mouth have experience and history.
That bad.
Listen me.
No, that bad.
I learn from you.
No, Cross. I want the best car that Jimmy ever drive, you know.
Right.
You know, him punchline them and learn. Him coming like Marcia Goodas. He might improve with him punchline them, you know.
But Raga, you have had success.
Tell them, Tina, be a read me read.
Right?
A be a read me read. That them for know, yeah? Be a read me read.
Yo, wanna do that something again,
Yo, look where Munchie right. Look where Munchie right. History mouth Raga.
History makes
No, man. You know what I'm saying? Raga with the history tongue, though. Yeah, chapter and verse, man.
Happy New Year.
Good. Yes, Dita, so it go a thick skin and broad back over here. Everybody, nobody is safe. No one is safe.
That put you in an advantage, in Raga, because even if your limbs were hurt or you were crippled, you still would have a successful career.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Active.
Right.
Having a mouth.
But Jimmy, all cross are going, you know. We know enough pony facial him get, you know. Them carry him go to pony spa, you know. Wet up him face. Cause the woman then love him face, you know. You must think so them just love your face. So we know so them enough woman cheer up your face, make your face in a cheer. Fix up your business and thing. Though. Why you think your brown always have that little sheen there and whatever? We know. Well, Cross, you know when them boy they go wait name there and them a put a mask, you not have to do that.
Raga, Me I gotta try prove something right now. Watch
Cross. You know what?
Look
Me
at
never see you like with a bump in your face. Yeah?
Look here. All right, Raga. Look
You
here.
never, you
Watch
ever
out,
see a
Jimmy,
bump in
Jimmy.
a cross face, yeah,
Jimmy.
Jimmy? Not
Before
even one bump. Cross, your pores them
Jimmy,
always clean in a
Before you
dog.
go, before you go, watch how me I go prove a case. Watch the lawyer,
Yeah,
how the lawyer prove the case to the lawyer.
Yeah,
Ladies,
all right.
if you went into a bar and you saw 2 seats, one looking like my face and one looking like Raga face that has a greater dimension, much more comfort.
Yeah, him not say nothing about film face, you know, but him a go in all them addition about my face. But let me see. All right, watch you know. Look how him set up himself. Ladies, start the truth between my face and Chris Cross face.
Ladies,
which one you da give your chun the pleasure for sit down pan? Hold on, make the woman them answer.
In a bar, ladies,
Ladies, between my face and Chris Cross face, which one you da give the pleasure of your chun? Your chun a sit down pan. Watch the cross. Watch the first one, cross. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. No. Cross. You know, somebody. Cross.
Raga, you don't call out your vote them.
Eh? Me not see my vote them. I hear vote them, me see.
Right.
I'm sorry. You have no credit left.
One K-Star, Cross. Shanique, Cross. See it there.
Yeah, man.
Milo say her friend them say both. Tal she a wicked because she put Cross before.
And then say Raga. She just
Lola, Raga face because he must have years of experience. You know?
It's a bigger seat.
What do you mean bigger seat? So what? Bigger
Raga,
seat
your
not
head
mean
bigger than
comfortable.
mine.
What? Yeah. Me a big was and big head, what? No man. Remember in Cross, there's a book called The Art of Verbal Self-Defense by Dr. Deborah Tannen. And one of the things is she says, when people insult you, embrace it and own it right away. Just kill yourself or whatever. No, where we go, you know. Watch out, Shamika. Well, look what Shamika put. Ragaton seem well educated. You see all them slackness, you know, man.
You see how she moved the goalpost on your tongue with that.
Munchie said Raga nose looks more comfortable for the ladies. Cross one looks like it a go poke you.
There you go. They want comfort, Raga. You understand?
All you Chantilly, you go on, man. But Raga knows have experience. Like other nose when I go see, like other nose I go on a pleasure. Look on Cross. A Cross.
Stop direct them to me. I tell you, say them. Remember, you know, me say you're going to one bar and you want to have a seat. All right? Who no want comfort?
No, but the woman them not think about going to a bar and have a seat. Them I think about something else. So he that thing you come about going to a bar and have a seat. Right?
Sit down with it, say first.
All right. Okay, fine. Go in a bar, have a seat. Me have a bench face. You have a hassock face. Which one them prefer sit down for? Hassock, cause it's softer.
A Benz face, you know.
No,
Me say bench. Bench.
Jimmy,
Bench.
You know them.
Then that him say my face big. And that him say which one bigger. And that him say which one bigger.
You know them big seat when you take one picture and you're going out town and then put you on a big seat with the grill at your back. See him there, over there, son. The big seat.
Well, with the grill at the back.
The big old king looking chair.
The what?
Yeah, the big old king looking chair, man. When you go take all one picture of them, man, for graduation. So,
eventually, you know, every time, man, love and respect, you know. Yeah. All right, me seriously, I cut you now. From 12:15 to 12:40, when I'm wicked. Chat me out.
What? Who a chat you out? Nobody not chat you out and whatever. You're there because you love the free Greg. Where?
Why am I wearing green screen, right?
What you say, Cross?
Why am I wearing green screen?
Am I wearing green? No, man, I him say, bro, God, right, true. Straight labor right, you know. Anyway, me have to let go here too, you know, because me have a look, me have the look one.
I figure if you show them the merch, I say, oh, I see them.
Okay. All right. What kind? All right. What that say?
Wait, say your goose get cooked.
Your goose. Oh.
Hold on. See you next one, huh?
Yeah.
These are the brother Anans, you know. Play food for catch wise.
Okay.
Hold on, one more before we cut. Enough of them in the website too, you know. See you next one, yeah.
See it?
Put it down to the key.
Yes. See it there? I would know how you do them graphics there, you know, people, because I that him do.
Original. So a link in my bio. First thing was a merch. I eat that. Enough more over there. We'll eat more.
Man.
We'll eat more over there. You know?
Big things to the 26.
Him sell shut down Raga can sell jazz for 2026 in a real life. Discuss it.
No, but remember that I
do want some Raga panty.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Raga panty. And it got happen. You know how much woman would have loved to have on a panty and know say my face the pan it and say watch him there chat like him boasting and right and no, we are talking about the picture upon the panty. Yeah, we are talking about the picture upon the. I have no problem having my face on panties if I'm running a business. If me I run a business, I what?
What's the old jazz face, Raga?
Watch out the bad mind start already and them don't even come out yet.
Raga, me ever have a
them don't even print yet.
I'm going to go over there and but tear off clothes. I'm going to see your face, man, jazz. No.
Wait, hold on. I lie you tell you still a take it, you know. You still a take it. No, you still a take it. You can imagine you work all a good 3, 4, 5, 6 months and thing when you go down and thing and you go sit over dry it off. I mean, you stay so. And I'm something and I just say, awa. You bugger, you know, say enough Jamaica man, I say, the blood clot, hey, girl. Now you have the money upon you. Ooh. My God, no, sir. Anyway. All right, big up on yourself in the night, you know. Happy New Year to the whole of you know. All TamFamers, big up on yourself. Big things for the 26 and thing, all right? Man, love and blessings to the item, seeing? Respect and honor, man. Cool. Yeah, man.
Blessings.
See the morning.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, man, all on over here, big up on yourself, you know, and thing, you know. Happy New Year, Tony, you know, and thing. Shelly Cunningham, big up yourself. Chantilly, large up, and big up Munchie to the world. Evoking, what time is it there now? It's like, it's like minutes to 6 in the morning. All right, thank you for staying up with us, all right, hanging out. I will know that you guys... You had your new year 5 hours ahead of us, and you're hanging out with us. So big up all of the UK people and people at different time zones. I don't think Nakita is in Texas, which is 1 hour behind us, so them not have it yet. Tambourine is in California, so she won't be having it until it's 3 o'clock for us. So to the people who ain't no reach on yet and thing, Happy New Year, same way, you know, big up on yourself, saying 2026 after we are gonna shell it. We're gonna shell it and del it and well it and the whole works, right? Was a cold one here in KU. Jackie Gooders, did you mean to put UK? A KU, me say. Okay, Anne, send me the text. I will respond to it. I solemnly swear. All right. Happy New Year, all. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Blessings.